Fáilte Rómh go léir go ócáid le síolta seo Inniu in the National Handball Centre in Croke Park. You're all very welcome to this very special occasion. The All-Ireland Softball Senior Doubles Finals, the biggest day in the calendar for doubles play in our traditional 60x30 code. I'd like to put you all to put your hands together for GA Handball for the tremendous organisation we have here today. First up, we have the Ladies Senior Softball Doubles Final. First into the court, representing Roscommon from the Kildglass Club and the famous St. Coleman's Club. Please put your hands together for Alana Cogran and Fiona Tully. And their opponents from the Broadford Club in Limerick, the defending champions in this grade of handball. Put your hands together for Martina McMahon and Aisling Shanahan. Now we'll ask you all to be upstanding and we call on Orla Sheridan to sing Around the Vein.
Testing. Two. You hear that okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Is that okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, can you please squeeze in any empty seats in the middle, just to let people join from the outside, because there's a good few people joining up. Thank you.
Okay, we're live here, Clíne.
Well, Fáilte Rómh gachtainne, Clúdach cahar canis na man and seo seasca faoi trocha. Agus cé tágan Inniu ag immert, Ollie.
And we've the great Rachel Princess O'Doul.
Princess O'Dawley.
O'Dawley. I was waiting for you to correct me. Very good, very good. He's one of my favourite people here, Frank. He's mine
too.
He's so funny. Is he yours too? And we just had the national anthem there. Orla Sheridan, she made a lovely job. And there was a certain person standing here beside me. She's a very good singer too. I'm talking to her. Lovely singer now. But well done.
Okay.
So in Kate 30.
Can anyone just make sure you have your phones on silent, please, before the game starts?
So big on Bert O Bailanaha, Glachan Kate
Okay.
30.
Best of luck to the 40s. Limerick to serve. 0-0.
This is a great rally, Cleanus, straight away.
Yeah, and Kate Dras, agus tá sé dul araig, agus níl smacht again if we let her go fólín.
Now a chance for the kit dog, Martina. That's going to be a cover ball. It's going to be a cover ball. Fiona gets the kill.
Fiona Glurug,
yeah.
She's looking for the
in fairness,
cover there.
0-0.
In fairness, he called it before she hit it. To be fair. but sometimes they change their mind and they give the point.
Side away.
So Roscommon really starting very strong here.
Yeah,
Cliona.
well, I mean, is tóca gur bíd limnach tá an phobal an seo Inniu.
0-0.
Siadam go méid rud ag an roiig Fiona agus Lana mé earlier sin. And showing a strong hand at the start is certainly
That's
a
a very
positive way
good-
to go about that.
That's a very good serve from Alana. Just too deep for Martina to wind up with her
Mark.
her left-handed swing. It's tight to the back wall, so
As sé lu galore inis,
1-0.
Martian féin.
good ball down the right. Martina calls it. Chance for Fiona now. Is she going to go for it? She does. That's a lovely shot from the Roscommon lady.
The Kershi Brewer limnach dul she's Sakuna and Shin agus and Shin VS I could go Cúnia Sarah agus the Glaxi and Hoppig Shin Desh agus
Okay.
Anna Warford. Ooh. So bhí an tála Helen and Shin and she tart tras cuairte didn't come quite as deep as she'd hoped, but they still managed to win the rally.
That's a great serve dropping to Martina's right hand. Now she's set up. Well, it came to her left. I gave her the commentator's curse there, but I like what Roscommon are doing with the serves now. They're very good, very good.
Fecomnition meg tart tras cuairte Fiona no and Maddy Gifo yes.
I'm not sure I like Frank's jersey. I wonder could we put a Mayo jersey on him for tomorrow. Oh, that's the Martina we know.
Yes.
Half a chance.
Hoppig Shin Desh.
Side away, 0 serving 3.
It's an awkward serve. Fiona takes it with the offhand, goes down the right.
Keeping it out to
That's
the
a
right
good
as
shot
much
from
as she
Fiona.
can.
1 hand off. 0-3.
The teacher comes out in Fiona sometimes. She gives you the white of the eye. If I was her student,
Foul serve.
I'd be afraid of her.
Second
You know.
serve.
So Fiona Geary Martina come out cool and court. Cool na courte.
Fiona go for the fly.
We do know how Martina loves rolling that ball off the back wall though.
She does, but I'm really impressed with the start Roscommon have made here.
Yeah, Tucson allowed her up.
Mark. 4-0.
It's a tough call from Fiona. She called it late, but she's so athletic, so fast.
She has to be careful she doesn't cover too much for Lana though and leave herself open on the left there.
Right, leave the opening, okay. It's a nice serve dropping to Martina's right. Oh, when Lana was unlucky there.
Yeah, well,
she was going for the fly, I think.
it's through in her clay. Fiona the hero chin. Fiona was well set up for that. It's a pity. Maybe she didn't hear her call for it. Nish. Yeah. Tá Martina called
Mark.
physical leis an
Serving 4.
Harva larger nor bhún an sin Liathróid. Oh. Serve with Dún and Shin oh Ashling.
Yeah, maybe it was small bit of
1 serving 4.
starts the game nerves maybe. That's a good serve coming around Fiona and she puts it in the bottom of the wall with the kit hook.
Side away. 4 serving 1.
It's a good shot from Fiona pushing.
Irish Brewer Martina she's for yes.
Fiona's working the ball down the right, trying to play Martina's Well, she's two good hands, but her weaker hand.
Mark. 5. 5 serving 1.
Sin an rud céin an sin Fiona ag teacht agus.
Yeah, it was a very good shot. Wasn't it tight to the sidewall?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Second hand, 5 serving 1.
That's a brilliant serve. She's set up here now off the sidewall. Now she goes for the pass.
Ag Brew. Martina sure go cool na courtier reach.
It's a great shot with the left hand from Fiona. She's going to go for the fly. She does, but it's up to Martina's wheelhouse.
Oh, Mahulan. Anish and will do when I make Martina. Oh. Omaka Brewer he and Shin.
Side away, 1 serving 5.
Tá sé táchtach de limnach an isco bhaid siad scór éigen an dairt seo mar bhí láh as faoi aon deach.
Contact there.
It's important for Limerick now to get that point.
Yeah, they need to get on a few on the scoreboard.
They no scores on the last
2
chance.
serving 5.
And Alana covering the left.
Oh, she had it, Alana.
Yeah.
She was probably rushing a bit now.
Yeah.
But it's just nerves a bit. But
Mark 3.
She's
3 serving 5.
she's in the right place at the right time. That's a great overhand from Fiona. Some power with the Kitto overhand. Martinez. Fiona goes for the corner kill there, Cleena.
She slightly misjudged that coming off the back wall and she needed to be
Mark
slightly
4.
up to the right more. There was a
4
bit of a curl on
serving
it.
5.
That's great power passing Martina, but Martina's so good
quite.
with that kit dog.
Shin can Dacker.
That's a good shot down the right, Cleena. Well done from Martina.
Nish Desh ag Fiona.
Agus a nish,
She went for it.
She went for the right.
Together at 5.
I guess together at 5, Princess says. Agus a nish. Yeah, there it is.
She and Desh. So the Martina Bioganin Mao Toxic Clúdach Anish. Maybe they're finding their groove.
Yeah,
Serving 5.
look, Martina's coming into it now.
Fekimidanish will fragger Russ command the shin.
It's an awkward ball for Fiona, but she scoops it out with the kit dog. Unlucky now.
Mark 7. 7 5.
Ernetchlog.
Nice shot. She
Anya
comes over
Safad.
with the fist. That's a lovely shot. She puts spin in it, and that ball will carry with the spin off the right wall.
1 hand off.
Very good shot.
7 serving 5.
Yeah, Fengo Vekmich.
That's a good serve from Martina, dropping awkwardly.
That's it. Anias.
Well dug out from Fiona. Fiona, well done, man.
Harish.
Great play here. Oh, oh Jesus.
Grass.
My hand.
August Tigan Fiona ground Tá Jaragachi and Shin.
Frank says, Princess says, check the ball. Check the women.
Scores 8 serving 5.
That's again a spin with Fiona. She comes across it with the fist and it's spun away from Aisling. It's a lovely shot with the fist.
Side away, 5, serving 8.
We've a great game in our hands here.
Yeah. As you know,
There's Martina.
Tá de kaint mé ar Fiona's Martina ach ní ceart taucht an imróir haimh na lámha deise a bheas faoine
5, serving 8.
We really shouldn't underestimate the importance of the player on the right hand side.
Oh, it's a tough job on the right. So hard to play. Great pick.
And another great pick.
Now Fiona's
So
calling
Queen
for it. Is she
Fiona
going to go
Nish.
for the bottom?
Oh,
No.
near Arglay. Oh, there Glay.
Yeah.
She would have preferred if that had been lower, but she got away with it.
Mark, 6, 6, serving 8.
She'd forced the cliff and shot, gone down.
Drop off.
Well, that's a very good serve now. If Fiona gets that over the line, she'll do damage with that overhand toss.
Yeah, and she's pulling Martina over to the right there and giving herself a chance to.
I like the second serve too as well. She's set up now. That's a good cross-court ball. But now she's set up again. Is she going to go for the sidearm kill? No, it's just too high. She blocks herself. Martina's looking for the cover.
Alana's in.
Oh, good ball coming round. A lot of time for Fiona. Good pick. That's a good shot from Aisling. Oh, good. Jesus,
oh,
great. Well dug out. Maihu Roscommon. It's a big rally cleaner.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the overhand shot again. She has two very good hands, Fiona.
Well, tá Comórtas ceart a
Mark,
bhíonn seo.
7,
Right.
serving 8.
Like the spin she generates from the overhand and underhand. It's an awkward ball dropping to Martina's right. Martina deals with it. Chance.
Sheelan go diggin Fiona go gahi sin Liathróid sin a cur asracht
Mark.
Martina go home she needs to get that ball out of Martina's reach at all.
Together at 8.
Yeah,
Doing it very well so far.
yeah, you can see her trying to focus on the right hand side and keep Martina back.
And I roil of the cliff ar fad. Being Fiona and Tuvas rihi and of
Oh, nice touch from Alana. Maihu Alana. Agus Anish.
Mark,
That's a lovely
9,
snatch.
serving 8.
That's a great shot from the player on the right side. That's the way to play a handball on the right. Oh, she'll be annoyed with missing that one now.
Yeah, servo tune and Shino Fiona gone out.
Side away, 8, serving 9.
That could be very costly.
It could. That's a tough ball. That's a good spin from Aisling.
One hand off. 8, 9.
Right, love us we in there reaching chin.
So, Dara Lava.
Sneaky.
Awkward ball. Martina's there though. She's two lovely hands. Oh, and Fiona just snatched that off the back wall.
Yeah, I think she was just trying to put a bit too much into
Mark,
that. Maybe.
together at 9.
It's together at 9. There's nothing in it. So fair, Cleena. So hard to call.
Yeah, Comórtas gone out.
Big chance
Yeah,
here for
Fanny
Martina.
Shula Martina.
Oh, it just goes to show she's human.
Side away,
There was never any doubt.
9, serving 9.
Even the great Martina McMahon can miss the odd one. She didn't miss that though. Alana's there.
Alana on.
Oh, it's a lovely shot with the
perfection.
fist. How does she control that ball, Cleena, with the fist?
But she's willing to take the risk as
Yeah.
well. And she knows she has to.
Yeah, she seen Martina
10, serving 9.
at the side of her eye and she went for it. She saw she was deep. Very intelligent shot. Going for the sidearm this time. No,
Yeah.
Anish.
Oh, Shin Dakar. Yeah. Wow. It's full of in the Kinja. Ooh. Cúpla servo tún and Shin Martina. Ach, you know, ní bhéin búrtha.
Mark,
Could you
11,
Shirash?
serving 9.
A few errors there for Martina, but Martina, you know, she won't be worried about that. She'll
No,
come back in and
she plays her way
she'll
into it.
reset herself.
I like what Roscommon are doing though. They're trying to hold position in the front court.
Yeah.
You know, they're trying to hold the lines clean and
Yeah,
cut.
they're very much Alana's holding the front of the court and Fiona playing the back, which is a different tactic to what I saw them doing in the semi-final.
Yeah. That's an awkward serve dropping onto Aisling. Now she's got the setup. I'd like to see her flying that return though. She's getting a good return, but she's not flying the ball. She's such good overhands, Fiona though. Look at that with the left overhand. Unbelievable.
Oh.
Kupla, as you said, she's not settled yet.
Kupla serve with them, yeah.
12 serving 9.
So I suppose Fiona and Alana have to capitalise on that and make sure they close it out.
This serve now is just that's unlucky now.
Yeah.
I hope that doesn't put her off using it because it's a really effective serve so far.
Usually
12.
if somebody does an overhand, you won't see them doing the second serve.
Yeah, usually she'll have a safe overhand. She'll break it off the sidewall for the second serve, but
just didn't come right.
Yeah.
Nish Deshik Fiona. Oh, now serve with Nuno Fiona.
Yeah, couple from Fiona and a couple from Martina.
10 serving 12. Foul serve. Still 10 serving 12.
Yeah. Tá lán rithe siúlaigh Fiona an sin agus an aibble sin ná beidir go Irish tuirse agus níl sin an quarter fáil.
Yeah, so to move her side to side, yeah, it's hard. It's hard to, as you said, she's leaving the space open then.
Well, it's happening to both the left-hand players at various times because both teams are deliberately playing the right-hand player. But it does mean that the left-hand player is covering and they leave that side open.
Yeah. It's just so hard to play the right. It's very hard to play the right hand side.
Score Rishnish.
I think this is going to go down to the wire. Tiebreaker. Clean it.
Oh, Fiona going for the left, but I'd love to see it going to the tiebreaker.
I think it will. Unless someone gets
13 serving 12.
Unless someone gets a good serve going in.
And then in Neodruk bíonn siad gcónaí ag lurgan tríú clifa.
Yeah, I suppose for everyone we like to see a close game.
Especially for the neutral.
Oh, that would have been a lovely shot. She came over under with the underhand and floated into the corner.
14.
Gee,
14 serving 12.
Very good shot from Fiona. She was unfortunate.
Nation in K, they were the Limnach Fe.
Yeah.
Tussig. Yeah. Wow.
Look at that with the left hand cleaner. That's unbelievable. And Alana's there. I like what Alana's doing.
Yeah.
She's tidying up. She's in there waiting in the long grass and burying it.
12.
Now, can Martina get a good serve going? Cross court serve with power. It's dropping awkwardly on the left for Fiona.
Yeah.
That's a great serve for Martina. Very good.
Tras cuirte sin tá sé tacht níos daine agus tá
as you said, it's dying off the left hand side.
Yeah.
She's going with the overhand. Very good overhand, Fiona.
Pushing Martina down to the back.
That's a very good shot from Fiona with the overhand.
Side away, 12-15.
That's a good serve from Lana. I thought it was going to break off the sidewall. Yeah, it just missed the sidewall.
She flattened it.
If she gets a half a chance.
15.
No chance for Fiona. Is she going to go for the kill?
Oh,
no.
Yeah, Wacknirari late. Yeah.
Side away, 15-12.
Ar net slógadh Fiona.
She was unlucky now, unlucky.
And Kinnicartach You're English.
16-12.
Fiona Sherry, Coolin Curtin or something. Yeah. Nura Vulin Martina Liathróid sin go híis agus fiúman bhfuil sé mar bhar fad.
Mark,
Cléislí a Currency
12.
spinner tugann sé mock.
Yeah,
Agus ní raon deis, ní hagann sé sús, ní raon deis é.
yeah, she put some power and spin on the ball.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, some cuacht sin.
That's an awkward ball. That's a tough ball on the 60/30. If it drops low off that glass, it could go anywhere.
12.
Now, is this first game creeping away from Roscommon?
Chance for Martina with the sidearm. Fiona's there.
Fiona managed to get in. Yeah.
That's unlucky with Fiona.
Is túr narú sochi and hitógan or sin beidir gan Iroch níos fearle.
19-12.
Yeah. Cin Cartach. And that's the shot. That's the way to play 60/30.
Yeah.
If you see half a chance, get underneath it. That's Martina at her best.
12.
As you said, this game is going away from Roscommon here now.
It is a bit, yeah.
And all of a sudden we're at game ball. That's an awkward ball. Fiona does well to get that in the fly. Some overhand with the left hand.
Oh,
One hand off.
Nish.
Finished, yeah.
Beidir gan lucky, Roscommon.
Because
North
Dara,
20. Game ball serving 12.
Dara Lava here, and Martina's going for the game. Good serve. Overhand for Fiona, pushing it back down the right. But Martina's taking with the left. That's a good fly from Fiona.
Alana comes into it.
That's an awkward ball dropping off the back
ball
work.
from
And Fiona
Martina
gets to
there.
this. She does with the fist. Lovely spin.
A bit of a twist on that.
Now a
Now
chance for
Jesh.
Fiona. That's a good shot. Martina's there. Great picking.
Arish.
That's a good spin with the.
Oh, Mahu Alana. She's for Yashrish now. Tanoisha Shula Martina.
That's good flying.
Needed to
It's
be
a big
lower
rally
there from
cleaner.
Fiona.
Chance here now for Martina, and she.
Yeah.
Oh, and Fiona's
Ah.
there. Fiona was there. The audience were clapping a bit prematurely, but
Yeah.
that's the first game Creeknia. August.
Okay, 2 minutes.
August, we'll be back after a couple of moments, Cleaner. August, maybe a cup on tea.
Shans come in.
Alana. Thanks. One, two.
Okay, I'm here with the great Paddy Murphy. Paddy, before I get into this match and we discuss the game that's going on, you put on a bit of a display last weekend in Fahy and you won the intermediate doubles. You must be delighted.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, happy enough for it, Chris. I suppose, yeah. No, we got over the line there the last day, but today isn't about me now. It's about the ladies and the men that are playing in the men's open finals. So I suppose, yeah, really, really interesting start here. Now Roscommon came out all guns blazing and really put it up to the Limerick girls, who I suppose are heavily fancied for this.
It was tight up until around 12 all, but once the Limerick girls started pulling away and Roscommon didn't have too many answers the second half of that game.
Yeah, I suppose Martina came into it a little bit more. Now Fiona started off really strong there, I thought. She's covering a lot of ground now. I feel like if Roscommon are gonna pull through today, Alana's going to have to start stepping up a little bit more, maybe calling more balls that she could be taking, just to kind of make sure that the court positioning is just a little bit more tidy. But they're playing really, really well. Really good stuff. Alana's well able, well capable, and yeah, I suppose.
They got through a sticky patch. When at the start of the game, it felt like it was going to be hard to call. it was going point for point, and maybe no team was getting 2 or 3 points in a row. Alana and Fiona, they started very, very well and stuck with the Limerick girls.
Yeah, definitely, and I think it's going to give them a lot of confidence as well. I think Fiona likes that position as well, where, to be fair, they were kind of written off coming into it. So there has to be an element of there is no pressure on them, especially now going into a second game where, they're a game down. They've showed very strong as well from the start. Maybe just a little bit of a poor patch, or maybe a kind of strong bit of a push there from Martina and Aisling, but I think they're in a really good position. If I was in the Roscommon girls' shoes now, I would be I'd be quietly confident there.
We know you love high heels, but like, what you got it? What I was doing there is like they stuck with them well, but once Martina started to dominate rallies and getting the serve goal, she kind of took the game away from
girls.
them. For them, if you're both teams, you're probably happy with how things are going, because Martina, once she starts stepping up and controlling rallies, she's almost unbeatable at that level.
Yeah, and you see the way that she swings it off her left hand as well, like she can really flatten it. I think they need to start stretching her a little bit more, because they really stretched Martina at the start. They were pushing her out to the right. Obviously, Shanahan's trying to cover up front, and maybe a little bit of kind of start of the match jitters there. Didn't really want to push in on a few flies, and it was kind of pushing Martina back. So that's really opening up the court now. If that's a trend in the second game, I think the Roscommon girls could definitely cause an upset in game 2 anyway. But I suppose it's all to play for anyways.
Do you think this is going to a tie break?
Hope so, Chris.
Awesome. We're going to go back to our match referee and the commentary team.
Okay, Kalina, if you've just joined us, the first game of the ladies is just over and it was 21-12. But Kalina, you said that score didn't reflect the rallies. It was...
No, ní dóla mé. I mean, bhí an lábhan uachtar ag Fiona agus Alana den chuid is smód an clifa agus bhí limnach taobh here an sin hána ar isteach agus cúisi contusig agus níor airig le Fiona agus Alana teach the rasherísh the hopig limnach an deis agus a raiglo agus the bhuaisi den chéad clutha.
Roscommon to serve. 0-0.
A mé an trí clutha again, Ali.
Oh, I hope so, yeah.
Oh.
Play the ball again. Who did that hit?
No.
It's your side.
Yeah.
Hand off. Side away.
Good
0-0.
Good recovery, Frank.
Yeah. Tournament in Canchin.
That's a good serve now. Dropping awkwardly to Fiona's Kitto.
Yeah.
Mark.
Tá brúin is ar Fiona agus Alana dod isteach a topic agus gan lig an the limnach. Ritharaiglo leis an glyfa seo. There's pressure on Roscommon now to get in there quick and not let Limerick run away with the second game. Make sure they keep the faith.
That's better now from the two on the right. That's much better play. Now, big chance here, Fiona.
Good choice.
Down the right, the right. You can see there what she was doing. She waited for Aisling to move, and she caught her and down the right. Very good.
Martina done a Clúdach and Kitog, so you know, can on more for.
It's an awkward ball dropping. Awkward ball. Well done, well picked. My hoof, Fiona. August, yeah, well left from Alana.
Anish. Oh, near Kershey.
Big rally here, Kalina. Maihan Martina.
Is bra le Martina nor tá sé timp an cúne mar sin agus on.
Yeah.
0.
Tá sí intact ar fad. Unlucky there, no?
3-0.
Kamad Martina Shirish.
Oh, sugar, that's tough.
Oh.
Lucky she had the goggles on. Hopefully she's all right now. We don't, anything unfortunate to happen like that now.
Is on of Ekmudra the Marshin och. Before Martina Bulla Sanaig on Liathróid.
We'll take a minute, Martina.
Hopefully she's okay now.
Well,
That's a
it's
tough.
Mahan Rudig, will she the cough of the goggles? Rudig.
Yeah, the goggles. And you know something? It's the big. I'm confused here. How come the women have to wear the goggles and the men don't? Do you notice that, Cliona? Or can you answer that?
Neil Fragner and
I can't understand that.
Yeah, Neil Sagam. Bader could tug a gun really stock níos luithe nor nach raibh le chéile ní me céinte.
Yeah.
I don't know, did the rule come in before the men and the women were amalgamated?
That's a good point. It probably came in when the women.
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Right.
Well, Marguerite, I'd say, would have the answer to that for us.
We have to.
While we're waiting there, I want to mention bhí me fearchant níos luithe roinnta na gasúróg ag immert agus bhí cúpla gasúróg Loch Garman Freya Kavanagh in a mask ag immert an sin. And seeing those young players now.
It's great to see them coming up. It's great.
Yeah, great to see young players in there. And she had a right whack of the ball now.
3-0.
She's only 9.
Wow, she's some handball left in her. Awkward ball dropping. That's an awkward ball. That's a great start from Martina.
Martina Carclornish.
Mark 4-0.
Now Fiona Landa need to dig deep here now and get themselves back in there.
Good shot from Alana. Pushes, keeps the pressure on. Because
that's an awkward one.
Yeah, it was unfortunate there, but I like what Alana's doing. She's hanging up around the right on the lines, and she's bullshit. Ditchlog, is it? Taking on the fly.
Tashi Vuller and
Etchlog.
Or Vineshin Dash.
Yeah. Kin Kiarthok.
Nishtat Deshik Fiona and shot. Or an Etchlog Rish.
Oh, what a pick. That's the best shot of the match so far for me.
Oh.
What a pick. Fiona. What a pick. Can we see that again after? That's unbelievable shot.
0-5.
That's the best shot of the game so far. Unbelievable pick off Fiona.
And what a finish.
Oh, great pick from Alana. Dived in for that one. Very good. And the game is still going. That's a big pass from. And it's a pick with the kit dog as well now. Big rally coming. I like what Alana's doing. She's hanging around that right hand side.
Ní sí ligan den Liathróid dul sheer.
Bullshit. Etchlog.
And it saves Fiona running into that right hand corner and taking herself out of position if Alana can cut it off.
Yeah. It's better play from Roscommon now. Oh, it's going to be contact there, but Frank lets it go. Play it again. Punches us.
Slightly late call from Frank, but it was the right call.
0-5.
Third Tras Curtin Shinnon Lana. Lucas Fiona.
Awkward ball, very awkward.
Yeah, like fun up there in Volunteer. Now need score a bit fight check Roscommon and throw show. Tá sé tácht go níos go bhaid Fiona score no go.
Big rally on here now. Awkward ball dropping for Aisling. Comes over with the fist. The overhands. I can't get over Fiona's overhand. Both hands.
So much of the game being played down on the right hand.
Yeah.
Oh.
I gave her the commentator's curse there. I was saying about her overhands. But
Lavas Fuyen, the Heg Roscommon and Ishrish. Kaishid Mishnach Lurganish.
5-0.
I give her the commentator's curse. It's too good with that overhand now. Too strong.
Mark 6.
Oh, unlucky.
Fiona getting Bugoni and Thurshak Bader?
I don't think so. She's super fit.
Yeah.
Maybe concentration, maybe a small bit.
Yeah. Bader, Geary, Omaka, Hogan, Dawson, Liathróid. Maybe she's trying just a little too hard to get something special out of the ball instead of just playing it safe and getting it up there.
Eight.
As you said, Roscommon needs to start doing something here now, because this game is going away from them. This match is going away from them if they don't.
After such a good start, it's so strong.
Yeah.
Pull out your shins, you can't cliff it. Barry Gamala, Martina Canchin.
Oh, that's the shot. That's the way 60 by 30 needs to be played. Bullshit, Echelog, you know, off the fly. Intock or Fod.
9 saving 0.
Oh, what a shot from the champion.
Bugoni,
great shot.
But I suppose when the luck is with you, the luck is with you.
The luck is with you, but that's a great shot. That's the shot Leah Minogue could do. Clear.
Oh, they make sure who Bugoni.
Mark 11.
That's the kid talk bullshit. Now Roscommon in big trouble here, Cleena. What do they have to do? What do they have to do?
Right now.
What do you think they should do now if you were in there?
They need to just not worry about doing something wonderful, but just keeping that ball up on the wall and hoping that opportunities just present themselves that they can now.
Like that?
Like that.
Okay, right. They must have heard you. They must have heard you.
Nish. Oh, Toshik.
Okay. They're trying different tactics now.
Right. Okay. Daring Gomeshe, Shaw Igdol, she's for Yesh.
Oh, that's a good serve now. Very good serve. Dropping awkwardly. She needs to cut off this return though. You can't let that ball bounce. You're undoing the good serve, you know. It's Fiona with flight. That's better now. That's better. When you pull on Echelon, you put the other people under pressure. Like, the fly really changes the game.
Yeah, Neil and Maidama, they don't have the same amount of time to respond.
To think, yes, or breathe, yeah. That's a good serve from Milana. I'd like to see Fiona cutting them off to the return. That's a great shot. That's a great shot. She made me eat my words there. She let it happen. She broke it off the left side wall. Yeah, great control of the side wall. Maihan Fad.
So, Ashling Dana van Rud Carton Shin trying to cut it off the right hand wall.
Yeah, I think
she
so.
won't get away with too many of them, Fiona, because Ashling will, you know.
Will she cut it off?
No, she didn't.
She didn't, but I suppose Martina's calling for it maybe.
Yeah.
No, that's the right shot. Yeah. Oh, that's a great shot. Yeah.
Mark 4 serving 12.
That's the shot. That's the way you play 6 by 30. You get the good server and you fly the return. That's the way.
Anna's certainly not a bit intimidated in there. Mia.
Oh, she was unlucky there, but as you said, it's the right shot. Ken Cartock.
Tashi the Rash, Bigoni, Kara score 5 talk on this, you know, they're digging their way back into the
one
game.
by one.
That's the way you could do it.
Good ball dropping to Martina's right hand. Yeah. And all of a sudden, Roscommon, they're back in this. Frank is enjoying this match. I love what he does. He checks it. He looks back at the audience to see everyone watching as well. It's good.
Are behaving themselves.
Yeah, maybe that's it. He's doing the teacher on it, the moonshore.
By the way.
Yeah, though you go cool. And I roll Will they get back in?
12 serving 5.
Good shot from the overhand. That's
Oh,
dropping.
yeah.
That's
Yeah.
dropping. See the
One
spin.
hand off.
The spin Fiona gets on the overhands. It's
And
unbelievable.
It caught the right hand wall nice
Yeah.
and far there.
It's so hard to read Fiona's shots.
12 5.
It's going to come out awkwardly. She
Yeah.
takes with the overhand. It's a chance for the kid talk here. She's going to go for it. Great spin and power. Alana does.
Oh, Miali,
I
Alana.
I thought
yeah.
it was the right shot, but I thought the
Mark.
power from Martina is
Clúdach Martina
yeah.
Crunchy
Perfect.
for Vrui.
and the
Laimhe
spin, yes,
5.
yes. That's a good shot from Aisling. Fly kill coming from Fiona.
Ní dónn go geisce sin íanamh.
That's a great shot. One
Yeah,
lucky now.
no,
She
yeah.
did well to get a hand to it.
14 serving 5.
Now that's a powerful serve, dropping awkwardly on the left for Fiona.
Fiona Nando. Gary Ashling, Curfew Vrú. Ní dónn spáis gin sin, Derek Leahy. Oh,
Side away.
See the spin again. Fiona's such spin with that overhand.
Serving 14.
Broke off the sidewall there. So it was unpredictable.
Nish, Cadiani Alana and show. What'll Alana do?
That's a good serve, breaking deep right off the right wall. Now the fly return. That's the shot. That's what they have to do
Still
now.
in
They're
the
putting
play.
them under pressure.
And I think very
Ian Tucker fought cleaner.
classic Martina.
Oh, serious,
half.
serious.
5-14.
No, I like what she's doing with this overhand. She's going to go deep right, I think. That's very good. That's dropping awkwardly onto Martina's right hand. But Martina's well able to deal with it.
No.
Now, it was the right shot with Fiona going for the fly kill.
Love us, we ain't there, Risha Gross, come on.
Side
sin.
away.
Ní bheith si tásta le sin. Tá si de dribblóid an seo, cai sin
14
misneach
serving
an lurgan
five.
is agus dul isteach ar isto. Sin é, Fiona.
One hand off.
Yeah, king size 30 on it. O Martina, tras cuairte Tommy Capin. Sin é.
It's a good shot, pushing Martina
Blue
back. But
Martina.
now the fly return, that's the shot.
She
Now,
falls
Fiona's set up here. Anish. Oh,
Oh,
great
ma-
pick from Aisling.
Oh,
Oh,
she
she's
caught
going
hockey.
to plough it now.
Oh, she caught
Now,
hockey, actually.
a tough shot for Alana. Well done, dug out
who
from
Alana?
Alana. This rally is still alive, Cleena. Awkward ball dropping for Fiona. Round the house she goes. Ah, that's Martina. Martina
sure.
gets half a chance. And Ian Tucker fought.
Tá she cochliste sin.
15.
She steps in at the right moment.
Yeah, perfect timing. It's well dug out from Fiona. She was unlucky not that. Just ran out of petrol.
Mark. 16.
True in our Irish Fiona sin Kershis for clay.
Yeah, I think more
She
play
had
down.
Martina out of position there.
Yeah. Oh, Martina was a good shot. She got it round Fiona. She put it around
16.
5-16.
Yeah, tá
No.
she hard of a talk to Kavaya.
Can Roscommon get a few?
Nine scoring and sure.
I like that service dropping onto Martina's right hand, but Fiona needs to fly kill this. Oh, she went for it. She hurt me.
Yeah,
That's the right shot. Kin
But as I said
Cartuck.
earlier, they have to just make sure and keep it on the wall.
Second
you know.
hand. 5.
Yeah, it's true.
At
It's
the
true.
moment, when they're
Yeah,
when they're at risk.
but at least when they're serving, they're only losing a hand. They're not losing a point. What do you do? Do you go for it at this stage, Cleena?
I think you need to play safe first to get yourself in the groove, and then hope that it, as I said earlier, if an opportunity presents itself, then you go for the kill. And Fiona did that time, but maybe the chance just wasn't certain enough.
And Limerick are back in. Awkward ball to fly, that overhanded dips.
Yeah, it's unlucky. She changed her mind.
Yeah, she let it back to the bar.
17-5.
No score again on that hand.
That's interesting. Fly shot coming. Unlucky. The right shot. She let it go.
Come the girl here in Liathróid. She didn't look comfortable going for that ball.
Yeah.
Some overhand left. Fiona. No, that's an awkward ball to fly.
Yeah,
she did well to let it go. It was well left.
She was, well left. Now, what will she do with this?
Overhand back again now. Pushing Martina back. Fly kill coming. Lovely shot. Ashley won't get that angle, which she's done well to pick that out. That's a great pick from Ashley. I thought she was caught with the angle. Ashley's so fast.
Great covering by Ashley.
Very good shot.
19.
That's a good shot. Good angle from Martina.
Martina doesn't look for permission.
No.
20. Game ball.
Nish Fiona. Chance Sterling. Oh, Martina loves this.
Oh, she heard you. You know her so well. That was a nice finish. Some finish. So Limerick are the champions. So we're going to have the presentations probably next. And
Dímar Fiona Gazlana, Murphy and Chance Gog, Cicade Clehe, Vichy, the Crohugama, Fiona Cookando, and Yarn Nadala.
Oh, yeah.
Put your hands together for Limerick Senior Doubles Champions.
We're going to have the presentations, and we'll be back shortly for the men's senior final. Gur Margaret, Cleena.
Fáilte road, honey.
Okay, we just asked everyone to stay seated, please, for the presentation, and we'll ask the players to come back into the court. Okay, we just asked the players to go back into the court, and we're going to hand over to the Uachtaráin Kevin Cook.
Carja, ladies and gentlemen, head of handball Lizzie Lynch, here Uachtaráin. Thanks everybody for coming to Croke Park today to watch this fantastic final. As we all know, the ladies' game sometimes doesn't get the acknowledgement it should get. And we talk about respecting our game and respecting the referees and things like that. It's great for people to come out and show the respect for these four young ladies. So a big round of applause for our four athletes. Just a big shout out, we had the Mothers and Others earlier on today from across the country. It's great to see new clubs involved. I noticed Kilcock there. It's great to see new blood coming into our sport. That's our future of our game. If we want to develop handball, it's new clubs, new people. So thanks everybody involved in this initiative, and all to our RDOs and to Mags and the team well done, and that's the way forward. Thank you very much. Again, I'd like to thank our referee, Frank Daly, for a wonderful job. It's not an easy place to be up there. Again, I always say without our referees, we have no game. A big shout out to our singer, Orla Sheridan, for our on Naveen, our media team up the back with Ollie and Cleena Daly. Thank you very much. I just call on the runners up to come in, please. Just to say, another fantastic game. I had all the exhibition stuff, great shots, great picks. We've seen it all. It's a big occasion for Alana and Ashley to come in. The other girls are well used to the big days, but it's great to see these two young ladies coming in here. It's not a simple place to be, especially for Alana, her first day out, but congratulations. It gives me great pleasure to present the Breeding Mail-On Cup to our winners, Limerick.
Okay, we'll get a few words here from Martina and Aisling, the defending senior doubles champions. Martina, we have to stop meeting like this. Every time I meet you, it's after a senior final, and you seem to have won another. So congratulations, another amazing win, this time with your clubmate and partner Aisling. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's unbelievable. I suppose when you have a partner like Aisling who's as committed as any senior player, it makes my job a lot easier. And as you could see there today, I think she probably finished off the rallies 90% of the time, picking ball there. And yeah, look, she's a credit to us, credit to the club, and a credit to herself. So I'm just honoured to be playing with Aisling.
You got hit with the ball at one stage there, Martina. I can see a little bit of blood on your jersey. That's never nice. You shook it off like the warrior that you are. Was it a bit of a shock at the time?
Yeah, I suppose, look, it was like a bullet coming at me, but sure, look, I suppose if I went down like that, I wouldn't really be a great champion, would I? But luckily, I have my two eyes, unlike poor old Pat out there. But yeah, look, I suppose the slap in the nose kind of gave me the kick up the rear that I needed as well. And obviously, it was accidental. Sure, I got Molly in the singles as well. So I suppose Fiona got me back on behalf of Molly.
Aisling, your second All-Ireland senior doubles medal, a fantastic achievement. Only very good players win two senior All-Ireland medals. What's it like being in there and when the pressure is on, how do you respond to it?
I don't know, I think you just kind of have to zone out. A bit easier this year than it was last year, I think. And Martina's behind you in the alley, there's no fear.
I suppose playing with Martina against the likes of Fiona as well, like these are world-class handballers, so it's a privilege, but it's probably a tough place to be too.
It is, but it's an honour as well to be in the alley with them. Like, I don't think I'd be playing at this level either if Martina wasn't with me, so it's great.
Okay, we'll give it up for the senior doubles champions.
Yeah, I suppose I just want to say thanks to everyone that gave us games as well. So I know a lot of people finished up last week, but especially to Shane Flynn and Donegal O'D. And also then just a shout out to Tina McCarthy and all the McCarthys, and of course my doubles partner for the World Championship, Aoife. I know they're watching at home today. So our thoughts are with you.
Thank you. Next up here at the National Handball Centre at Croke Park, we have one of the most eagerly anticipated matches I can remember this season or many seasons before. For years we've been looking for some fresh blood to break through into the All-Ireland latter stages in softball, and we've certainly got that this year in singles and doubles. Serving first are two young men lining out in their first All-Ireland senior doubles final, looking to bring the title back to their county for the first time in 29 years. Put your hands together for the Cats from Kilkenny, Kyle Jordan and Jack Holan. And receiving serve, two more young men playing in their first senior doubles final. What an occasion we have here. One is from Timon, the other is from Castlebridge. Looking to bring the title back to Wexford for the first time since 2022. The pride of Wexford, Mark Doyle and Joe Devereaux. Kilkenny are serving first. Your match referee is John Hurley.
Well, Jeeve agus fáilte seo. We'll try that again. Jeeve agus fáilte seo go G Antanat. Liathróid Láimhe an seo he Park an Corca. It's Mr. Oliver Acostia agus the great Chris Gavigan.
That's it.
Chris, some atmosphere here. Wexford versus Kilkenny.
Yeah, unbelievable. Look, this is a rivalry that goes back
0-0.
Decades and among hundreds of years, and to see four young lads get to the final and take it to Croke Park today. It's exciting day, Ollie.
Oh yeah, and if you just joined us, the ladies' game has just finished, and Limerick just won it there, 12-5, 21-12 and 21-5, but the score didn't do it justice. It was some kill there from Mark Doyle.
Yeah, so
lovely left-handed kill from about 50 foot, Chris. Some shot.
So Kyle Jordan drops back into the left-hand corner. He's going to be trying to who's going to grasp the nettle early in this game, as Mark drops back 3/4 deep, goes for a kill.
Second hand.
Unlucky, he wasn't far out. It was the right shot.
Himself and Kyle trying to find his range.
Yeah. Cin Ceartach.
As Kyle puts her around, Jack steps in, but puts her up off the back hole for Mark. It goes under. Well dug out by Jack again.
Oh, that's some shot. Oh no, her fault. Mark Doyle, starting the strongest, and as you said earlier, Chris, he's loads and loads of experience in America, stateside and everything.
Absolutely, like that stateside experience and big game experience. Although he hasn't won a Pro Tour title, it's basically a matter of time. He's a superstar over there. Oh, that's a great shot. Jack Doyle goes really early. Kyle gets an opportunity and puts her around the corner, and that's what a pick from Jack Doyle.
What's a great opening scene here. Some rallies going, some power.
Love to.
That ball is travelling.
So Jack goes two walls. As Joe Devereaux Kyle and Jack winners of the Intermediate Championship 3 years ago. And Mark and Joe winning the same title last year. So
as you said, these two counties, they bring something special, don't they?
Absolutely.
They pack, they love their handball in Wexford and Kilkenny. They pack a house. The house is packed here, Chris.
Absolutely. It's actually a major surprise that the doubles title hasn't been won by Kilkenny.
What a sidearm kill. And it was coming at a bad angle for him too, but What a sidearm kill from Kyle. He's a talent. He's a serious talent.
Super player. So Joe digs
Great
that
pick
one
from
out.
Joe.
Kyle goes down the right.
Together at 2.
So Kyle targeting Joe Devereux early in this first game. As John Bosco Hurley, our referee. Not in a Cork jersey today, he's in a Clare jersey. He won't be talking about him though at all today. As Kyle
big setup here,
big
Chris.
Setup off the
Anish.
backboard. Mark digs out. So this is up off the backboard for Mark. Goes for the kill. Kyle digs that one out. Just hopped up a little soft for him.
That's a great shot from Joe Derro.
Now will Mark go for this one? Mark, winner of the senior singles title in Wexford during the week on the singles and doubles. So that's going over.
Talking about Wexford, Chris, there's some legends here in the crowd. We've got the great Tommy Hines and the hardest hitter ever I've seen hitting that ball.
There you go.
And we've got of course the great legendary Gavin Buggy.
What are you going to say anything nice about him?
Well, he's a top senior, and
absolutely.
We won't mention that he's over 50.
He might mention the same about you.
Yeah, well.
But again, Gavin, part of the team that last won the senior doubles title for Wexford, himself and Galen Reardon in 2022. So, again, he knows what it takes to win this title, Ollie.
Oh yeah.
As Kyle sets up, went to the right corner. It's going to be a replay.
2 plays 2.
2 plays 2. It's going to be a crack. This is already a cracker, Chris. That ball is screaming.
Oh, that was 2, was it? Yeah, looked like it was 2, all right. So Wexford back into
2
serve.
plays 2.
As Joe hits the 2 walls, Kyle flicks that one up. As Jack Holden drops back into the back court, goes for the corner
crack.
kill.
Winford was the right shot. Kiartok.
3 plays 2.
Jack changed his mind. He was going to go in under. Look at that great shot.
Kyle's just so stylish, isn't he?
Oh yeah, he's serious stuff.
Second hand.
Just took all the pace off that as he clipped the corner.
3 plays 2.
It's an interesting serve now, dropping down to Jack. Can he deal with it? He does. Now a big setup here for Mark. Goes for it.
That's a great shot.
Mark doesn't miss from that range.
No, and you can see already all players, when they get in those backward setups, see where Kyle positioned himself really in close to the front wall, trying to dig one out if it was up. As Jack clips the sidewall, Kyle drives it around the house as well. It's going to be a setup for Jack.
Setup, is he going to go for? No, he's playing safe now. Setup for with the left hand. He doesn't miss with the Kitog right there. Intucker fought.
Absolutely, what a shot. Absolutely beautiful.
2 plays 4.
Again, Kyle so far has just looked the most comfortable in taking a shot. Just as I said that.
Second hand.
That ball
doesn't
goes
get it right. Yeah.
That ball goes round the walls, and
2 plays 4.
You can see the strategy here. They're going for trying to keep Kyle back in the left corner. The Wexford boys.
2 serves, 2 plays 4.
As we go to Joe having to deal with some straight serves here from Kyle.
Oh, that was well left. Good communication there from the 2 Wexford lads.
Yeah, Mark shouted early.
He called, yeah.
And he took control of that rally.
4 plays 2.
As Joe.
Sometimes when I call, when I'm on, you take it anyway.
Sometimes I have to. As Mark gets an opportunity, drives it, drops it into the front left though. Jack does well to cover Kyle out the back. But this is going to be a big setup. Can Joe do something with this? He slides it down the walls. This is going to go around the corner. And gets a little fortunate with the hop. But this is a big chance for Kyle.
Oh, look at that. He's playing a blinder here. He knows where the bottom is.
Do you know what? He has such a beautiful stroke with the ball here.
Lovely
Just
style.
made it look so simple.
It's effortless, isn't it? It looks effortless.
Absolutely brilliant from Kyle. And all 4 players looking like they're settling into this nicely here. As Joe gets an opportunity off the back while he drives it 2 walls, pushes Kyle all the way out the back. Probably could have been an opportunity for Mark to go under that, but he goes and resets as Joe gets another opportunity. Again, drives Kyle out to the back wall.
Big shout out to Darren Welch. He's watching from Culchama. Big 60/30 man. Enjoying the handball.
As Jack floats Mark out to the back.
Oh, that's a loosener.
Yeah, it's a sore one.
Okay.
Unfortunately, you're going to get that in the big alley every now and again.
Especially in doubles. They check the ball.
4 plays 2.
I've been checking the man. That's a good serve. Dropping onto Jack's left hand, but he's well able to deal with it.
Absolutely.
Jack going for the fly shot here. It's the right shot.
Yeah,
trying to push Mark back. Look at the hands of Kyle. Overhand power. Unbelievable.
Yeah, just pure precision.
Chance here. Anish. Mark is there. Lovely re-kill from Mark. Ah, Intock or Fod.
Absolutely.
Good shot. Mark. 5 plays 2.
So Mark drives it 2 walls. That's going to drop awkwardly into that Ryan corner. Dug out by Jack. And
that's a lovely shot.
That's
a lovely shot. We'll see that again. He went down on one knee. He went really low.
Absolutely.
That's lovely sidearm shot. He brought that back from America with him.
Yeah, he's
6 plays 2.
Big change for Mark going on next year. He's going to be changing university. He's not going to be with Mankato. He's going to be in Texas A&M, and he'll have a
good sparring partner.
Plenty time to spar with the great Martin Mulcairns, which I'm sure will help him no end. That's a hand error from Kyle.
Notice all 4 players are wearing the gloves here.
7 plays 2.
It's optional in the big court, the gloves and goggles, I think. A question I was asking Clúdach, Chris, you might know the answer to this. The women wearing the goggles and the men don't.
Yeah, it's regulation that you have to wear goggles in the women's game.
Why, I wonder?
That's 8 plays 2.
It's brought into the rules about maybe 8 or 9 years ago. Maybe.
Okay.
Wasn't always, but it was brought in, but it's still not in the men's game. Maybe it's something we should be looking at.
I think so, because when
you see Martina getting that hit in the head. As Kyle goes 2 walls.
Look at that back in the back corner. That's a great shot. Both teams are trying to bring that ball round. They're trying to bring that round to the back corner because that's where the weak point is.
Yeah, they wanted to go there, and that worked out perfectly for
2 plays 8.
Jack. So
especially for the boys in the right hand side, they want to put it back to that back corner and take the setup.
So Joe digs that one out, but there's an opportunity for Kyle. It's going to set up nicely for Mark. He hits it with power.
That's great play. Overhands, fly shots. You have everything here, Chris.
Absolutely. It's going to be replayed.
Replay. Ige Merchanish.
You can see Mark Murphy in the crowd there, who won the senior county doubles with Mark Doyle, or Mikey Murphy, sorry, who won the county doubles with Mark Doyle during the week in a over 2 hour battle as well with
Gavin.
We have to give the
Gavin
35s boys a mention too. There's a couple of champions here. Well, one champion, the other man is resting at home. But you've...
Got to give a shout out to Shane's mother, Nora, who had the president's cup in Ball during the week. So Nora was out having crack with myself and stuff as I picked up Shane's hardball shields during the week. And the Herities are always a huge support to Mayo Handball, and Shane was absolutely incredible at the weekend.
Wexford just starting to take a small bit of a lead here, Chris.
8 plays 2.
Kilkenny want to be careful.
Yeah.
They want to close it down a bit.
Of all of Kilkenny's good play, they haven't really put much on the scoreboard so far. Joe digging in well there, and that's
a great shot. See the way Kilkenny's plan is, they're trying to keep... That's a great play from Jack. They're trying to keep Kyle back in the deep left.
Absolutely.
Trying to keep him out of danger, because if he gets into the lines, he'll go to town you.
The one thing you don't want to do is give him opportunities to shoot the ball freely as well. But Jack having to do a lot of dirty work here.
Yeah, they're not letting Kyle play. They're trying to keep it away from him. That's a lovely shot from Mark. Textbook stuff off the corner. Lovely shot. Wound up off the sidewall. Look at this again, Chris. Followed it around. Boom. Even if it wasn't dead, the corner, the angle it get you.
So Joe digs that one
Another
up.
set up off the corner. Kyle is there.
Mark coming in and flying a few ball now as well, which is changing.
Chance for Joe. He goes for it. I see Joe wearing a bandage on the leg. It's not affected him so far though.
So Joe goes for a kill. Mark, give him a nod of appreciation because he thinks that's the right shot to go for.
Congratulations coming in for Chris Gavigan here on the 35s from the great Sean Nolan. He's congratulating you here, Chris. Sean. He's watching here from Wexford.
He's some man. Mark Doyle goes in and flies that ball.
Look at that with the left hand, Chris, off the shoulder. Who does that with the left and right? It's a great shot. Look at this again. Wound up, side arm off the shoulder. Mark wasn't far away.
He wasn't far away at all. He was pretty much there. So at 2-9, I gotta say Wexford have defended the serves really well so far. As Mark scampers into that left hand side. And it's going to be an opportunity for Mark off the back wall. He goes around the corner. He doesn't get it. So Joe pushes that out. That's a straight shot. And
he'll be annoyed at missing that, Chris. That's his bread and butter right there.
Absolutely. So Kilkenny again not making anything off the serve for quite a good few minutes now.
And he changed his mind. He was going, look at him serving with the left hand. Senior final. Jeez, he's a talent, this guy. Set
Jack.
up. That's good play from Jack. That's what they need to do to get on the scoreboard, Chris. They got to take their chances.
3 plays 9.
I'm going to have a quick bit of chocolate. No one will know.
As Joe digs that one out off the fly. I'll keep chatting while you're eating.
Oh man, you got my back.
Oh,
and he puts up his hand with a bit of luck in there.
Bit of luck and
4 plays 9.
I know that before the All-Ireland Senior semi-finals in this court.
Lovely shot from Jack.
Great shot. These 4 lads had a training game up here in Croke Park in preparation for their semi-finals, and Kyle and Jack won convincingly.
I heard that.
Single figures. So,
but there's a big difference in there on the big day with a crowd.
Yeah.
There's no pressure in the training. But there's pressure here.
If we that's a great dig from Joe. But if we saw from last week, the longer the match went on last week, the better the Kilkenny lads got. That's a great shot.
Lovely fly kill. When you see men on the right doing that, it takes the pressure off the boys on the left when they can hold their own.
Well, you can see how annoyed Jack was at himself. He just left it popped up in the middle of the court, which is a great shot.
What a shot! The shot of the match here. That's the shot of the tournament right there. Look at this. Who does that, Chris?
Absolutely
Boom.
beautiful.
That's serious handball.
So Mark digs that one deep. That's going to come up awkward, but deals with it well. Joe tries to get 2 walls, I think.
It's on, Chris. Look at that.
Yeah. Kyle's starting to find his range again.
Unbelievable.
I think both the Wexford lads knew that as soon as Joe didn't clip that sidewall, that it was going to be an opportunity for Kyle. He was 100% going to go for it. Mark flicks that one up off the left-hand sidewall. Joe digs that one out as well. As Jack goes to the corner. Mark runs that down. Oh, he'd be disgusted with himself. He was there.
It's just the angle and the kit og. You're out of position when you run. But
just
I like the angle Jack got.
Oh yeah.
Jack is lovely. Off the hip, he goes for that kill shot, and he owns that right corner. He's in great shape, Jack.
He called him the Iceman last week, and he's very much one of the coolest characters in.
He's a cool guy. Look at that with the kit og, left and right. Jack can do it all day, and he's in great shape. He's that thin. He's that thin. The one eye of doom, Chris. He'd have to run round the shower to get wet.
Let's take my lines now.
I think that was mine originally.
Yeah, it probably is. I think our boy Cowboy stole that one off you as well.
I think he did.
As Mark drives it down the left. Jack covering really well here. As Joe goes for the bottom.
Sidearm kill. Fly kill coming, Chris. Look at that. Oh! I give him the commentator's curse. Oh. Bullshit. Etchelog. The right shot
so
off the fly.
Kilkenny moving the needle a bit, pulling this closer together.
They're back in it, aren't they?
Oh, very much so. I don't think they were ever really out of it, but they're cutting the lead down, and Kyle's starting
he makes it look so easy. He makes it look, it's effortless. The shot he plays.
Absolutely brilliant so far.
He's not even sweating. And it's together at 9, Bosco Hurley says.
I'd say fair play to Bosco. He's done a lot of reffing over the softball championship the last couple of weeks, and he did make it to the Junior B doubles softball final, so congratulations to himself and the other Cork lads in getting there. Now Colin Healy was in up there and didn't make the final himself, so Kyle digs that, puts it around, opportunity for Joe to fly, he doesn't take it, leaves it up off the back wall, and Jack absolutely murders the ball.
Jesus, they're flying it here. Both teams are flying it. It's a cracker of a game.
Kilkenny take the lead for the first time in this match. Mark puts it down. Opportunity.
Looking for a replay there.
I don't know what they.
I missed that myself now, but there must be some contact.
That's okay.
Bosco gave it anyway. He must have seen it.
I thought they were looking for a slide on the wall, but it just hit the clip thing. But it must have been a replay in there. Joe digging that one out.
I like what Joe did with the return of serve there. He cut it off before it hit the sidewall. Yeah. Nice shot. Look at this.
Kyle.
Look at this. Kyle cutting it off at his will here. That's a good backup from Jack. A good call.
As Mark comes in, all 4 players all covering so much ground at the moment. Joe drives it down the left.
Chance here, Chris. No, he's going safe after. Look at Joe on the left hand side. They're out of position, Wexford, but they don't mind. They're comfortable.
Joe doing the dirty work outside.
Look at that for a fly kill, and he had the option to go to the back wall, but he flew kill. That's Kilkenny.
He didn't hit the ball. He didn't hit the ball clean, in fairness, but he got the job done. He just the way he wanted.
He just gave it enough petrol, didn't he?
He absolutely did. And sometimes they're the ones that you know things are going well when you stick your hand out and it doesn't hit
Mark,
clean.
The right corner.
But Jack.
Now Mark should be killing them, shouldn't he? A man of his calibre, he should be taking that chance.
But if they're up an inch, then these lads are they're getting it. So it has to be perfect at the moment. Kyle floats one down the right. Joe drops Kyle into the back court. Opportunity for Mark.
Chance here with the sidearm. Boom.
That's a great shot.
All night long, all day long, that right corner.
He's under serious pressure to make that happen.
Unbelievable shot. He's great to watch.
12 plays 9.
He's serious. He's a serious man.
Kyle going to his left hand for service at the moment. And that is a great serve.
Overhand toss with the left hand.
Left
Like
and
he's
right.
so ambidextrous.
It's unbelievable. And
I like what Joe does with that serve.
yeah, that's a
He
great,
cut it
great
off.
shot.
Yeah, great cut
He
off.
let the he let the last one go around,
Shot, side out.
and he wasn't going to let that happen twice.
9
So
plays 13.
Wexford trying to re-establish a bit of control in this game. They were 8-2 up. They're 13-9 down, and Kilkenny, you gotta say, the last 5 minutes have been absolutely brilliant from them. There's a long way to go in this match. Mark leaves that massively up off the back wall, and that is an absolute scorcher from.
Yeah, Mark is annoyed with himself there. He knew he set him up off the back wall.
Second
And
hand.
Can't give easy shots away to
no,
Kyle.
Kyle will
9
take that
plays
bone every
13.
time. He'll take it.
So Mark drives it down the right. Jack leaves that open. This
Big
could be an
chance here.
opportunity again. That's a great
Oh,
shot.
look at that. Quenched it. Quenched that ball.
Side out. Good shot.
Kilkenny are going ahead now. It
Yeah.
started off Wexford shooting ahead, but now Kilkenny are.
13 plays 9.
Kilkenny with all the control at the moment as Jack drops that off the left hand side wall. This is going to go around the corner for Kyle.
Look at that. And even Jack, he was there.
Yeah,
He was there, but
he actually popped up nicely,
Yeah.
and Joe went with his left hand. He probably
Mark, 14
could have
plays
got that
9.
with his right a little bit easier when he watches that back, but it's instinct, isn't it? Ali?
he's just unbelievable. There's no second chance. Watch this again, Chris.
He goes 2 walls.
Control he has is unreal.
So Mark goes for bottom, just up by an inch, and well dug out by Kyle. Mark hits that 2 walls as well, and that's going to drop awkwardly for Joe.
Bit of luck involved there.
Absolutely.
Oh, the spin on that ball.
Joe
No.
drives out the back.
Is he going to go
Opportunity
for it with the kit dog? No.
He will, yeah. Oh, what?
Great getting the replay. It's
Yeah,
unfortunate
good
that rally.
call by the referee.
Well spotted by John Bosco Hurley. Bosco doesn't want to go to Valencia, but he's going to go whether he likes it or not. But we've a cracker of a game. That ball is travelling.
What a
Chris.
serve. Mark does so well
Big
to
setup here for
readjust.
Jack. Is he going to take it? He does. Look
That's
at
a
that.
great shot.
Off the hip. Jack is playing a blinder here. A blinder.
Very good.
Shot. Mark. 15 plays 9.
It's such a cracking game. I haven't time to eat, Chris.
That's not like you.
It's not like me at all.
So Jack dropping it off the left awkwardly.
Big setup here with the. He's gone away from the kill with the left hand now. He'd be annoyed with himself. He left that up.
Yeah.
He should have given more time and let it drop.
Yeah,
That's Kyle.
he leaves it up a bit, and Mark
15 plays 9.
takes advantage. But
Look at him
They're
serving
on
with the
a
left overhand. Look at that.
Kilkenny on a 14 to 1 run at the moment.
Unbelievable.
And they are looking
16 plays
in
9.
complete control of this first game. Only 5 points away from the finish. So as Kyle hits the 2 walls, that's a great shot. That's a great shot.
Class. See the way he pushed it behind. He saw a Mark coming up behind him and he pushed the ball back off the sidewall.
Absolutely brilliant.
Intelligent play. When you have control like that, you can do anything, Chris.
If you're a young lad or young girl watching handball, that's the way to pass the ball. As Kyle leaves that one up, but Joe and Mark really not finding much.
They're in big trouble, Chris.
Yeah, they're in big
Wexford.
trouble here at the moment.
They're big trouble here as Kyle Jordan is doing the ambidextrous stuff here with the left and right.
As Kyle drives that.
That's better now from Wexford. They need to get the Kilkenny boys off the short lines. That's much better. See the way he passed him. That's much better. He must have heard me. They're trying to. They need to keep the Kilkenny boys back if they want to get back in this game, Chris. This first game, and fly the serve, fly the return of serve. No, they're letting it bounce again, even though it's hard to fly that overhand. But see, Jack went in to fly
I think the positioning of where the game is. That's a great shot.
Murdered her with the sidearm. That's the stateside. That's the American stuff coming out in them.
Shot, Mark.
He's just got all the skills, doesn't he?
Ah, yeah, great player.
So
10 plays 18.
Wexford need to get a couple of points just to put the pressure on Kilkenny, see how they respond to it. As Mark gets an opportunity, drives it at Jack.
Big chance here in the corner. No, he's going for power more than killing.
It's Jack.
That's better. He changed his mind. They need to control, kill that ball, because the Kilkenny boys are pushing them back here in the deep court.
So
Chance here.
An opportunity.
That's much better. Mark is in the.
Well
Jesus,
dug out.
Great pick from Jack. Unbelievable stuff.
Jack does well to get that one as well. He was out of position to pick that ball.
That's better from Mark. Controlling the game on the lines, Mark is.
So Kyle goes and digs that out, but he doesn't
That's
get
much
it.
better. They're pushing Kyle Jordan back to that deep corner, trying to keep him out of the danger, and the Wexford boys inside. If they do that, they might have a chance of coming back into this match. You can see the strategy
11
here.
plays 18.
11 plays 18. John Bosco Hurley.
So Jack leaves that off. Joe doesn't take advantage of that shot. Loose shot from Jack, but Kyle's in the back court. He hits it 2 walls. Joe takes that one on the fly.
Look at Jack again. Look at, he's in there. He's in there waiting. Mark, rather, he's in there waiting in the long grass for the opportunity.
He's moving so early.
Yeah.
Kyle is still setting up his
12
marks on
plays
the move. So
And all of a sudden, Wexford are clawing their way back into this first game. Again, Mark changed his mind. He was going for the fly.
smart shot from Joe. As
Yeah.
he pushes.
Pushing.
Keeps pushing Kyle back.
Yeah,
that gives him a bit of a chance.
Yeah, I think so. Taking him out, taking Kyle out the danger area is the plan. Look at that.
Oh,
That's a great shot
from Jack.
and good sportsmanship from Mark as well, putting his hand up saying he didn't get it.
Yeah, like
Second
so.
half.
Again, Jack ice cold in the court there,
12 plays
taking
18.
that opportunity to go around that side wall.
That's a good serve.
Mark throws that one up and
That's a
Kyle
mistake
gets an
from Mark.
opportunity. Well dug out by Joe.
Big chance here, Chris. Is he going to murder it? He does, but Joe's there. Now a chance for Mark. That's a great shot from Mark. Mark is owning that left-hand corner. He's there waiting for that ball and he powers it down past Jack. We've a game on our hands here.
Absolutely. And those couple of points have just started creating a little bit of doubt for Kilkenny. Everything was going their way. But Wexford not going away easy at all. As Kyle drops into the left, pushes Joe back. Joe's had to field a lot of ball in this match so far.
Oh, lovely pick. Oh, if I've made it. Gee.
Yeah, he probably could have stepped in with his left hand there, the way that was going to drop. But he let it back to the back wall, almost dug it out.
14 plays 18.
Wexford, again, changing momentum here. They've picked up the last 5 points in a row.
That's a big setup here for Joe. Is he going to take it, Chris? No, he's playing safe.
As Kyle pushes Joe Devereux back.
That's a good shot from Joe. Well dug out from Kyle. Now fly kill coming. I like what Mark's doing here. He's controlling the game on the inside, pushing the Kilkenny lads
Yeah,
back.
he's trying to make sure that the 2 Kilkenny lads are behind him, if nothing else. There's an opportunity.
It's hard to control the Kilkenny man, Kyle, when he's on that kind of form. It's so hard to control him. Half a chance, and it's over.
It was a loose shot from Joe, and you can see from Joe and Mark's reaction that's the last thing they wanted to do. But 18-14, it's a strong position for Kilkenny at the moment. So Kyle lets it down with the left hand. Wexford.
Oh, bit of contact there.
So Bosco.
Well spotted by John Bosco.
Yeah, there was contact. He let the
18
play
plays
developed
14.
a shot, which is probably the right way to do it, the way I would see you do it.
There's a lot of contact last week as well, or 2 weeks ago rather. With
no shortage of contact.
Westmeath versus, was it Wexford?
Yeah.
Or no, it was Kilkenny, sorry. Westmeath
Yeah, it
versus
wasn't
Kilkenny.
easy on the referee,
No.
Gavin. I'm sure he had to look back at it. Again.
Second hand.
Kilkenny go back to second service now. This is... You have the feeling that Kilkenny have to make something here to keep control of this first game, Ollie.
Yeah, it's so tight. It's like calling a deaf dog at home. You couldn't call him. The great Owen Hegarty.
So Jack hits it 2 walls. Who's marked an opportunity.
Oh,
what a shot!
What a loosener!
What a shot from Mark
What
Doyle.
a loosener! He quenched that ball.
Absolutely class. He steps back, and look at here. He just steps back and absolutely fires it.
He murdered it. Murdered that ball.
Absolutely pinpoint. Unbelievable.
That was a
from
Tommy
Mark
Hines
Doyle.
shot right there.
Oh, Jack loses his
It
footing.
just came out awkward, didn't it? Great serve though. Great serve.
Jack tried to readjust, just didn't get there. We have a 2-point game. Or a 3-point game, sorry. Losing me maths here.
Oh, lovely
now it's
fly
all
kill.
coming off.
Ah, now we're as you said, we're seeing it all, Chris. Bullshit. Echelog.
Second hand.
Beautiful
15
shot.
plays 18.
Mark is going for he was going for that in the right corner underhand. I see a few Kerry jerseys in the audience, Chris. I'm not too happy with them.
Shocked.
Not too happy. I wonder
why
could
they're up early.
Could we get them kicked out? I wonder. Could we? Is there any way we could?
I don't know. Lisa Falvey's not having it at all. So you were down in Kerry long enough. You can see the.
I suppose I could see
you were infiltrating down there for a long time.
They tried to brainwash me, but I wasn't having it.
Second hand.
We know where Sam's going tomorrow anyway.
We know, straight back to Mayo.
As Mark Doyle clips that left-hand sidewall. Opportunity here. He goes for it. He'd be disappointed. He just didn't get a nice connection on that at all.
Side out.
Even though he's set up perfectly for him.
18
So
plays 15.
Kilkenny is stuck on 15 or 18 since they were 18-9 up. As Joe drives Carl to the back wall.
Mark changed his mind. He was going for the fly.
Again.
Chance for Joe here. Is he going to bury it in the right corner?
Oh,
He
what
did.
a shot.
A lovely shot. He
What a
wound
shot.
up with the side arm. He saw the opening on the right corner and he went for it.
Second hand.
Great shot.
Brilliant shot.
That's a great first game, Chris.
Unbelievable.
18 plays 15.
All 4 players putting on a masterful display so far. As Joe drives it back to the back right corner. Carl digs it out. Joe does well to
That was a
call
good
that
call,
early,
wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, smart call from Joe.
Yeah, I'd like to see Mark cutting that ball off. He had the chance, but he left it go to the back wall. And that's sometimes the 40-20 gets in the way there.
Yeah, and
you know.
No, he'd be disappointed with that one in particular because he's actually very good technically off the back wall, but that was a poor setup from him. As Kyle goes 2 walls, drops Mark all the way back. Jack leaves that one up as well.
And
That's it.
you can see Mark, the position he's in now. He puts his hand up to his head, but he's pushed back. Jack is pushing him back into the left corner again. He needs to get back up to that, up at the lines and control the game, or else Kilkenny, it's game ball here. the first game.
Yeah,
They're pushing Mark back. Now he's getting up again, Mark. See, can he have another chance at serving here?
Good shot.
That's a
from
great
Joe.
shot from Joe.
Unbelievable.
Now,
Right.
go on, sorry, Chris.
I was going to say, Joe's starting to step into this game and hit big shots at big times. He did this last week, or 2 weeks ago, against Tipperary. At the end of the first game, Joe came alive.
20.
So, if they're going to win this first game, big couple of minutes ahead.
Chance here for Jack off the right corner. He doesn't miss every time. He's clinical, isn't he?
Again, a loose shot from Mark. And you can see that he's a bit annoyed at himself. Again, he just left it popping off that right side. Perfect for Jack to go for.
Yeah, my Jack.
So Jack flicks that one up. Joe sits back in the back court. This is awkward, but not for Kyle. This is a big opportunity for Kyle now.
Lovely touch. He feathered it. See the way he took the power out of it, Chris?
Absolutely beautiful.
I like the way he switches from sidearm to underarm. He took out the whip there, took the power out of it, off the corner.
Joe
just flapped the hand.
A little flick.
Yeah, lovely shot. He's a talent.
So
this guy.
16-20. Jack digs that one
Big
out.
Big chance here, Chris. Is he going to get in the right corner? Kyle was there, but chance. Oh, that's a great shot from Joe. What a dig out from. Oh,
what a shot.
lovely.
What a rally.
And now
What
we've
a
a game.
rally.
We've a game on here. Wexford are serving. Game
Great
on.
rally from Jack does so well to dig out that left-hand corner, but he just pops it up in front of Mark. Both teams showing
17 plays 20.
What great doubles play looks like as Mark hits it off 2 walls.
Oh, good ball dropping for Jack, but I'd like to see
Jack's
Mark moving in
up,
and flying that ball. He's letting too much back. He's getting good fly opportunities, but he's playing 40 by 20 in there a bit.
So Jack
leaves
off the back wall.
I'm very critical of you. Again, Kyle controlling. They're letting Kyle control that ball in the front. Chance here off the back wall. He'll be annoyed of missing that.
Big miss.
Yeah, I suppose there's pressure.
Crucial miss.
Pressure.
Crucial time.
Yeah. That could cost them the match or the first game.
So, 18-20.
I'm going to sneak it in.
Anybody's game. As Kyle goes to the corner. Mark does well to read it. Jack reads him as well. He's got it up. Kyle's dug it out. Joe's off the back wall. And Jack has an opportunity to do the same. He drives it down the right. Kyle goes around the walls. This is an opportunity for just popped out of the.
No, look at Jack here. Look at Jack, the right corner.
Joe does well to dig that out.
The Kilkenny boys not taking their chances. They'll be annoyed with missing
that. What a shot from Wexford. Unbelievable work from both of those players.
The Wexford crowd getting behind them. It's all about who's going to go for it, Chris. Who's going to quench that ball when they get the chance.
Look at Joe Deverock's reaction to that.
He's psyched for it. Kilkenny is up for this. They're getting the chances, but they're not taking them. They've stopped taking them.
At 19-20 though.
Wexford are taking them, Chris. They're taking the chances. Wexford have the momentum.
19 plays 20.
John Bosco Hurley, 19 plays 20 here. If you've just joined it, it's the first game of the men's senior.
Jack
All-Ireland.
leaves that up off the back wall. Mark drives it out the back. Kyle goes for the corner, but he doesn't make it. It's going 20-20.
It wasn't far off, Chris.
And Wexford are going to be serving for the first game. At one point in this game, they were 18-20, 18-9 up. They've let Wexford back into it. Now it's a shootout, Ollie.
Ball together at 20.
The momentum is with Wexford. Kilkenny had their chances there in that game, but they played safe.
Nothing's
it could cost
over
them.
yet, though, as Jack pops that into the left-hand corner. That's awkward.
Now a chance for Kyle.
Kyle goes down the right. Joe digs it out. Kyle gets another opportunity off the back, but it pops up awkward for him. Mark drives it down on top of Jack Holden. Will he go for it?
Great shot from
Joe
Jack.
does well to dig that
fly
out.
Kill coming, Chris. Fly kill.
Mark digs it out as well. He's got it.
Great shot. And the Wexford crowd are on their feet. August the Lauren Bula bus here. And Wexford take the first game.
What a
21 to 20. What a first game, Chris.
Wexford showed so much heart.
so much against them at one point.
As you said, they came back from the dead.
The kills went away from Kilkenny, Yali.
Well, the kills were on, but the Kilkenny stopped going for them, I thought. We might take a quick break here. We'll have a couple of sandwiches, a capini and a cup on tea. We'll see in a couple of moments.
Yeah, I think we're going to go to Paul and Paddy for some analysis. We'll chat to you in 2 minutes.
Murphy, after the first game, we wanted a close one, Paddy. We got a 21-20. Doesn't get any closer than that. What do you think?
Yeah, geez, an absolute dinger, to be fair. Could have been anyone's there in the end. Like Mark, to be fair, he clutched up there. Joe, especially there, I think might have been on 17 or 18, flat roll out off the right side wall. Exactly what they needed, got the crowd going. And at that point, it looked like, even though they were behind, they were going to be awful hard bet. So, second game, who knows? Yeah, I'd say more of the same.
Did Kilkenny throw that one away, Paddy, or did Wexford come back from the dead, or was it a bit of both?
I think it was a case of Wexford came back from the dead. There wasn't much Kilkenny could do when the Wexford lads stepped up to it. Like Kilkenny didn't really put a foot wrong there either. Now maybe a couple wrong shot decisions, but no, like I don't think Kilkenny can be too disappointed either. Like some handball from Wexford.
I thought Mark was the best player for the first probably 1/3 of the match and went out of it a bit. Joe came back into it.
Yeah, Joe came into it there. It didn't look like he was too comfortable either. He's struggling, seems to be struggling with that left overarm serve off the right sidewall, and I think it's something that Kyle might exploit a bit more going into the second game. But he's covering great ground. You know, he's not leaving much for Mark to do either. Like, he's solid on the right.
You're a newly minted senior player yourself, Paddy. You won the intermediate doubles last week. You'll be looking forward to playing at this level next year.
Yeah. So we'll be looking forward to it. Over the years there as well, the Kilkenny lads bet us in a semi-final. I think it might have been 11-8 or 11-7, and the Wexford lads bet us last year. It was a close second, maybe 21-19 or 21-20. So it's it's exciting to see the lads pushing on and getting to a senior final as well. So yeah, we'll be looking forward to having a good crack at them too.
And lastly, you're up in Virginia next weekend for the Elite 8 tournament, playing with David Walsh, Mayo, Cork partnership. You looking forward to that?
Yeah, really looking forward to it. David's a serious player, and sure, I love the right side too, so I think we're going to be an exciting pair. Yeah, it's going to be some great games there. I think we have the reigning senior doubles champions coming as well, Gary and Brian. So yeah, it should be some great games. We'll be looking to get a crack at them anyways.
Well, Gary and Brian are only the reigning champions for another few minutes because we have another final here. It's one game gone, and Kilkenny dropped the first Wexford lead.
Okay, we're back live here, Chris. The first game was a cracker, 21-20, and as you said, Wexford were well up. Or sorry, Kilkenny were well up.
18-9 up. So like when you're at that level and like there's nothing finished at 18, but they I don't know. Sometimes there's a mental switch that when you have to, if you need to win points. Wexford just got momentum and they just went for shots.
Yeah.
Because they
look at that for really well. Look at that for a fly kill. Sorry, Chris, go on.
I'd say Wexford lads, they dovetailed really well. Now, the big question is, they showed last week, the Kilkenny lads, they can step it up when they need to. So they'll probably try and do the same here. But that's massive for Wexford to give them a real chance now.
That's what Mark has to do. That's a class shot. He's well able to take the ball on the fly and kill it. Like if he has a tendency to play 40-20 in there, let the ball back, overhand.
Yeah.
But if he fly kills like that, they'll be hard beat.
Joe steps in.
Look at this now, letting it back again. Like they're well able to fly. Another letting it back. Unlucky there. Unlucky. Mark kind of heard me there and he went for the fly, but he missed it. You have to. Sorry, Chris.
It is a shot selection thing, like, you know, and as I said, these lads are used to lend the ball back or lend the ball bounce. But
I suppose then again, they've great overhands, haven't they? They're an exception to the rule, like, you know.
Yeah, like I suppose years ago you had to hit the ball on the fly because it was more natural to take it on the fly instead of stepping back with either overhand.
Yeah.
And the game's developed, so you will see these lads step out more. But that's one that Joe shouldn't be missing. Kilkenny coming in looking like they mean business here, and that's
two now, Joe.
So he can hear Wexford crowd again behind Joe here, trying to get that ball into play. That's a good shot from Mark. I gotta say, Joe Devereux again like last 2 weeks ago. When it came down to the crunch, he didn't miss. He got really good, got really aggressive, and hit some great shots at the end of that first game. But he has to keep up that pace now. That's going to pop up nicely for Joe. Can he put it away? Goes to the corner and he gets it. Jack a little bit on his heels there.
1 plays 4.
Chance for Mark, sidearm.
That's another good
Mark
shot.
won't miss from them. He's dangerous in the lines, Mark.
He's brilliant at the lines.
If it's up or tall, he'll sidearm kill it.
Mark, 2 plays 4.
I think Kilkenny be sick. They left that game behind them, Chris.
Oh, absolutely.
They just stopped going for the kill.
As Kyle slides that down the Ryan sidewall. Oh, Mark
as you'd say, he snatched at it,
Yeah, he just forced it. A bit of a fresh air shot. He took his eye off the ball. He was trying to drive it. Dropped into the Ryan corner. Mark digs that one out off the Ryan sidewall.
Oh, lovely shot. It just fell short. Jack it popped up. And in the first game he was killing them, but it just popped up.
3 plays 4.
It feels like Kilkenny are just searching for a few kills here. They just haven't been able to put the ball down in a good long time. Consistently. As
he must have heard you. He said, I'll show you.
Well, that is what he needs to do. He needs to take those opportunities.
And he's well able.
Absolutely. So, and he is such a calm, cool customer when he wants as well. As Jack pops that one up off the Ryan sidewall. That's going to bounce nicely for Kyle, but just puts it straight out the middle. That one goes down the wall as Joe digs it out. Kyle flicks that one down the right. You can see Mark trying to edge in and try and take that ball off the fly. Obviously listening to you, Ollie.
He must have heard something.
Digs that one out. And Kyle trying to force a mistake from Joe Devereux at the moment. As he goes back to that right hand side as often as he can.
Big rally here, Chris, isn't there?
Jack.
Going for the no. Look at Mark in there waiting in the long grass.
Joe went to cover Mark but had to reverse that idea.
Big chance here coming for Kyle.
Big
Is he going to go for it in the corner? Mark is there.
Mark's there.
Oh, Mark will be annoyed himself. He was there waiting in the long grass. He should have finished that.
Long attritional rally. That'll test the lungs of all 4 players, but especially Kyle and Joe.
5 plays 3.
So at 5-3 here. Mark reads that really well. Hits it left-handed as well. It's a really good shot from Jack Holden.
Yeah, he done well to get it even back on the wall. He struggled and reached that. Look at it again now. He's reaching for it, but he done well. Placed it well.
Kyle, who won the intermediate doubles in the 4-wall with Jack's brother Connor earlier on in the year. Another fine player. He got to the... that's a mistake by Jack. Probably should have left that to Kyle, in all honesty.
Second hand.
Dara Lava, as Bosco says.
There's Jack Holden, who won the junior 4-wall title earlier on in the year. We need Sean Doyle from Clare on the way to that title.
Marcus copped on to Jack Killen in the right corner. He's obviously studied the tape, because that's Jack's shot in the right corner all day long. But Mark is waiting on the long grass for him to do it. Very good play from Mark.
With Kyle. It's a poor shot from Joe.
Second hand.
Again, hitting the sidearm in that type of position probably would have been easier to take a step back and hit it underarm.
3 plays 6.
So Mark goes 2-wall on the serve. Cuts it across. Kyle steps in that time. Jack reads that really well.
Now 2 fly shots coming. That's what they have to do. They have to move up and fly. Jack took the first one on the fly, put Mark under pressure. Mark gave Kyle the setup and Kyle took the bun. He took the bun when he was given it. You have to take the bun.
So Jack doesn't get a great connection on that serve and sits up nicely for Mark.
The power. How did Jack get that back?
In fairness, really good hands from Jack to react to that really fast. Kyle as well to dig that one out of the back court. Mark has an opportunity and flattens it in the front left-hand corner.
Took it on the underarm, switched from the sidearm this time and took it on the underarm, planted his feet and let the ball drop and boom, off the sidewall. There was no chance of getting that.
6 plays 3.
I have a big mess here with the pistachio nuts here.
Kyle goes to dig that one out. Mark gets it though.
That's good. That's 60/30 at his best now. Flying the ball, cutting it off.
Joe stepping back into the back right court. And Jack digs that one out.
Chance here for Kyle off the corner. Oh, he'd be annoyed of missing that. That's his bread and butter, Chris.
Again, he comes up short. He probably has to go sidewall, front wall in that position, Ollie.
I think so, but you have to take the shot. The sidewall, front wall, as you said. Like, you can't miss them ones. They're golden opportunities, Chris.
That's good power from Mark Doyle. You see that he takes it on the fly, drives it down the right, puts Jack in an awkward position with the sidewall. And again, this is tight in the early open.
And he changed his mind, Chris. He should have kept going for that fly. He was going for the fly and he changed his mind.
It's just when you hit that ball overhand,
it does dip.
It just dips really quickly.
It's hard to do.
That ball is fast.
Awful fast. It does dip, in fairness. There's an awful downward spin on it from the overhand, as you said.
Again, it's just reading what your opponent is doing, I suppose. Joe does well to dig that out. Jack sticks that left hand out as well.
Chance for Kyle. Oh, pushed in the back.
Joe
I like what they're doing here, Chris. 4 players are fighting for the lines here. They're trying to cut the ball off, and Mark is pushed back.
Kyle does well to get a hand on that after being in the wrong way, but it's going to sit up nicely for Joe. He hits it 2-1. It's going to be off the back wall.
Big setup here. Is Joe going to go for it? No, he goes for the
Drives
pass.
it down the right. It's a good shot.
No, it's on, Chris. Sidearm.
What
boom,
a shot.
Boom. Anish.
Unbelievable. Joe Devereux. What a performance so far in this final. He drove it down the right, got the opening in the right hand side, and then shoots it into the right straight, which is he engineered that for himself, Ollie.
He did. He made his own bed. He was trying the expedition stuff there, Chris, but it didn't work out.
Yeah, I don't mind him trying to get under that though.
Side out.
Because that was going to pop out straight off the side wall, so it wouldn't have come off the back wall easy for Mark anyway.
Short.
So Jack Holden.
Second serve.
He hurls for Thomastown. Joe pulls out the right hand corner. Goes for the bottom there. Kyle digs it out.
Now is Jack going to go for this in the corner? He does, but Mark is there. Look at that.
Oh, what a shot from Mark.
Oh, great shot from Jack.
Mark's a little bit unlucky. He went to dump it with his left hand.
He kind of forced it a bit, didn't he, with the left?
Just popped up so nicely
if
for Jack.
as you said, if that hit the corner, it was gone.
7 plays 5.
Again, letting balls back to that corner. They're well able to cut them off. Fly kill coming. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's unbelievable.
That is unbelievable.
That's some shot. Let's look at that again.
That
he
is
murders it off the fly. Murders it.
I don't think you could get flatter than that.
Oh, it's a mouse trotting across the floor. Unbelievable shot. Such a loosener.
Absolutely. So Joe drops back into the back right. Kyle with an opportunity. He goes around the corners though. And this is going to stay up nicely for Mark. As Jack drives it down the left. Joe digs it out.
Goes for the underarm. That's good power. Off the back wall for Kyle. Goes to the corner.
Joe does so well to get hand
what
on
a
it,
shot.
He doesn't get it up.
What a shot from Kyle Jordan. He was on the back foot, running back for this. And he swung off the corner. Lovely shot.
Joe was moving early, but just didn't get his hand under that.
It's such a good shot. Mark was there, as you said, waiting in the long grasp, but it's such a good angle. He couldn't get it.
So Mark Doyle flicks that one up. Kyle floats it down the right. Joe goes back across to Kyle, and Kyle goes for the
look
kill.
at that with the left hand, Chris.
Joe,
with the kit hook. What a shot.
Joe just didn't get enough power to drive it. You have to do more. You can't leave Kyle on the...
Look at that again, off the shoulder.
But like again, it's a loose shot from Joe. You have to do more with that. As Mark flicks that one up deep. Kyle in the back court. Opportunity for Joe now.
Great play.
Okay. Good call from Bosco.
10 plays 5.
So at 10-5.
Chance with the kit hook again. No, it's just that much up.
That's a
and
great
Mark
shot.
had his own kit hook. He had his own plan with the kit hook.
Again, Kilkenny just leaving some loose ball in front of Mark, and that you just can't do that.
5.
Oh wow! And Kyle,
He's
you see
annoyed
his
at missing that,
frustration.
yeah, because that's what he's good at. He's annoyed
Again,
at
it's
himself.
sat up nicely for him, and he just again his percentage of shots that have gone into the floor again a bit too high at the moment. Had to sort that out. Well dug out by Joe. As Mark drives it down the left, Jack goes back to dig it out. Joe is going to reset this. This is going to go over the top. And
They give it a niche.
yeah, like again, that's not the worst ball to put out in the world.
Five plays 10.
Kyle pops that one up. And drives it out. It's good power from Joe Devereux. As he comes under this one, but that's going to be...
He gave him the shot. Yeah, it was a good call from the referee, wasn't it?
Yeah, good no call.
Yeah, it was a good no call. Is right. He knew Jack was on. He was covered, but he knew he was on. So.
And then, in fairness, like Joe almost got his hand on it as well. So.
5 plays 10.
Awkward ball dropping here from that serve. That's a great return from Kyle Jordan.
The Jack leaves it in front of Mark to fly. They have to, if Jack probably needs to catch more of the sidewalls to push Mark back further.
Yeah, I like what Mark is doing though. He's flying the ball, controlling the game from the short line, trying to push the Kilkenny lads back. Awkward ball dropping for Joe.
Late call from Mark, but Joe does well to get there. Oh, Mark is almost on it.
You could see Kilkenny controlling the middle there. There's unbelievable control. We have a cracker of a match on here.
Kilkenny starting to come back into this a bit.
If you've just joined us, the first game was 21-20 to Wexford, wasn't it, Chris? And the second game, Kilkenny are 10-5 up, but they were leading the first game 18 what?
18-9.
18-9.
Oh, another beautiful shot from Kyle. Again, it just sets up, makes it look so easy.
11 plays 5.
So 11-5. Wexford a bit to do. As I said in the first game, there's a long way to go in this. Jack drives it
great
down
shot.
the left.
Tried to push
flying
over
the ball as often as possible.
Ah, look at Jack. He pushed Mark back. That was intelligent play from Jack. He pushed Mark back with the fly. And then he took the setup off the sidewall front wall. He knew Mark was back deep. Great shot from Jack Holder. He's going for the corner again.
Kyle flicks it around.
Awkward ball dropping for Mark. He digs it out. Kyle Jordan going for the now. Awkward ball. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
What a shot from
Look
Kyle
at that!
Jordan.
Can we see that again? Let's watch this again. What a shot! Stretched and just pushed it down into the right left corner. So who does that, Chris?
He just got
Who does
enough
that?
on it just to pop it up, but
that's serious. Serious.
So Mark trying to drive that one again. That's a loose shot from Mark Doyle.
Now Kilkenny in the driving seat here, Chris. They were up 18 what the first game.
18-9, yeah. So
let's see, can they finish this first game? We'll have a tiebreaker.
Well, it's a long way to go yet at 14-5, but Mark
has stopped killing. Usually he'd murder them.
Joe drives at 2 walls.
No, big chance for Mark.
Goes to the corner. Jack digs it. Jack digs it out.
Yeah, Mark had usually go for that ball with the sidearm. He'd let it drop and he'd murder it with the sidearm. But he opted to go underarm that time, and it didn't work out for him. It popped up for the boys.
15 plays 5.
Jack flicking that one up off the sidewall. Mark being a bit erratic at the moment.
16 plays 5.
Again, the last thing you want is to just let this go. Kyle digs that one out.
Kilkenny controlling this game so far. They're pushing the Wexford boys back, and they're taking control of the inside court. They're keeping the Wexford boys back. Watch this again with Jack, pushing them back every time, and then when they get the opportunity, they'll kill. Everything is back, keeping the boys. Now a chance here off the sidewall. Back again. See the boys keeping them back.
Well dug out by Joe.
Unbelievable. Now is that going to be a replay again?
It's replay.
Replay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought
you caught him. Just he didn't know. Okay.
That's fair enough, yeah.
Replay. 16 plays 5.
How much?
Yeah, if you're Wexford, you need to start creating some momentum for yourself at a minimum for the tiebreak. 16-5.
Now he missed that. It took a queer spin, but it was the right
down.
shot. And Ken Clúdach.
But
16 plays 5.
So it's on Wexford to try and do something here to again get some momentum in their favour. Mark,
that's better now. Going for the fly kill. That's what they should be doing. The fly kill. Not playing 40 by 20. Taking the ball off the fly. Off the serve.
5 plays 16.
5-16. Now can they crawl the way back into this game like they did in the first one?
Well, we've seen it earlier on in the championship in the singles, and
not like that. Kyle Jordan, when he's in that kind of form.
It's too soft. It's a great shot, but
second hand. 5 plays 16.
I think we're going all the way to the tiebreaker. I could be wrong.
Well, I don't think
chance
that's
for Mark.
Be,
no.
I don't think anyone's going to be disagreeing with you there, Ollie.
Lovely fly. No,
Jack does
Joe
well
was
to
just
dig
back
that.
deep for that. Yeah. Look at this with the kid dog pushing the boys back, pushing Joe back. Kilkenny playing in their terms. Chance for Joe off the corner. Now, watch Kyle Jordan here with the sidearm. Oh, and he missed that. I gave him the commentator's curse there. But he was going for it, Chris. I like to see him going for it.
Just the way he set up, he probably went the wrong way around. He probably needed to go front wall, sideways. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Use the side walls to take the sting out of the ball.
So Kyle steps back into the left-hand corner. Joe does well to dig that out, and Jack left down behind him. So Wexford picking up a couple of loose points. And this game, the Big Alley especially, is a game of momentum. So Jack digs that out.
Oh, and Mark would be annoyed himself for missing that.
Yeah, again, maybe didn't need to go for the kill there.
Yeah.
Shot selection a little bit off. But
he hesitates a small bit, yeah.
By 16-7. It's a strong lead.
Mark. 17 plays 7.
17 plays 7. Can the what were they up the last game? 18-9, was it?
Yeah.
Can they finish this out, Kilkenny?
I think they will finish this. But it's what can Wexford do in between?
They can do that. They can kill the ball. Now a chance here for Jack. Is he going for the right corner, Chris? No, he plays safe. See, Kilkenny started playing safe the last game, and Wexford came back into it. That's going to be a cover. No, he let the play go. Oh. That's going to be sore one. He's going to check the ball, but I'll be checking the man. That's some loosener he got.
Seventeen plays 7.
That's a crucial ball. That's a crucial ball to miss, Chris. He's annoyed himself. He pinched the glass.
Yeah,
I think
the next couple of points, they just want to again get into a bit of momentum. Come out with a few positive moments the last couple of points, if nothing else.
That's a great ball from Mark. That's a lovely pick from Jack. It just
popped
up for him.
Yeah. They need to work hard now for the next couple of minutes.
Second hand. 18 plays 7.
Carl there though, as Joe sits back into the back court and Joe takes it again, pushing Jack back. Opportunity for Joe. He goes to the corner. It's going to pop up nicely for Kyle. He drives it down the right.
Spinning that ball. That's a good shot from Mark.
Gets under that ball, but
I like what Mark's doing. He's hanging around that front line.
Oh,
what a shot. Mark was doing everything right there. Up at the top, waiting for the fly. But when you're playing a talent like Kyle Jordan, you have to throw out the rule book. You throw out.
Well, you can't leave loose shots in front of him like that. He's always going to put that away. So at 19-7.
Watch this again. Look at this again.
Oh,
look at that. Look at that. Sun shot. Gavin Buggy loving that shot. Unbelievable
it's
shot.
Absolutely class. Absolutely pinpoint. He's a class act. A prestigious talent.
When this guy turned it on, and I'm serving left-handed then. Yeah. When he turned it on.
Jack.
Bit of contact there, but he's going to let it go, Bosco.
That's going to go towards Mark.
Watch this again, Chris.
Good power from
Pushed
Kyle.
it, that's a great job. Pushing the boys back. Has he got the opportunity? No.
Again, pops up awkwardly.
Nice. Unlucky. Joe Winford.
That's the game. We're going to a tiebreak, Ollie.
We got a tiebreaker here, and the crowd are really enjoying this game. Gavin Buggy's enjoying this game. Really enjoying the game. Perfect. What a match. What's the tiebreaker to? 11?
11 points. So we're going to take a quick 5 minutes, but there's going to be some mid-game analysis from Paul and Paddy.
Yeah, we'll be back
we'll be back in a few minutes.
After a couple of nomad and maybe a couple of Capini and a cup on tea. Therese Tomlin.
We're back. You predicted the tiebreaker. I think you predicted the tiebreaker. We knew it was going to be close. That was a bit of a blowout in game 2, Paddy.
Yeah, geez, in the blink of an eye there, Kilkenny took over. It kind of looked like, I can't tell if Mark Doyle is tired or if he was saving himself for that tiebreaker, because I suppose from early doors there it kind of looked like Kilkenny were taking over. So I'm hoping it's a case that he was holding out for the third game, because he's a well-conditioned player. I don't think he's going to be losing legs in a game like this, but maybe.
It's a fantastic match, isn't it? Because all 4 lads are actually playing very well at times and generally playing quite well. Like, the baseline of the game is very high.
Yeah, it's serious stuff. Like, geez, the ball's spinning there. Like, I'd say there's half the people here at least don't know where it's going. I haven't a clue where it's going anyway, so I'm
You better learn before next year.
I know, yeah, what a sickener. But no, geez, the way them lads are hitting the ball, a lot of side arming there as well, which is unorthodox for the softball co. But Jack kind of mixed it up a bit there, which I think helped the Kilkenny lads a lot. He had kind of veered more towards the right corner a lot of the time, and he started kind of swinging it around and hitting straight ones as well. So I think that bit of that change up definitely helped him. One thing I noticed as well there was Mark Doyle. He decided he was going to step up a lot more. He was kind of content enough with sitting around the back and playing it around, rallying. And in that second game there, it looked like it was the play in my head was to move in and kind of start meeting some of them balls, but obviously it didn't work in their favour, which I was kind of surprised to see. But yeah, no, you can kind of, I'd say, veering towards Kilkenny now for the third game, but we'll see. I think Wexford are going to have a big kickback, but the momentum's definitely with Kilkenny.
Yeah, Kilkenny obviously have to serve because they got more points throughout the match. So if you're Wexford, would say, what's your game plan going in here? Do you just shoot everything? It's a race to 11, or do you need to ease your way into it? You put a couple in the floor, you can find yourself down.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think they need to. They definitely need to be a lot more consistent than they were in that second game. There was a couple of silly errors But I think the biggest thing is you hear some of the Tommy Hines saying it back there was you need to be on them back lines, which is true. Whoever plays from the front in this game is going to win it, because they're all four of them are well fit to kill the ball, and whoever's put in those positions more and whoever can keep their opponent out of those positions they're going to be bringing home the title today. So
of course, it's not the only big final at Croker this weekend. From Mayo point of view, what's going to happen tomorrow?
Yeah, Mayo by 12.
You heard it here first.
Okay, we're back live here.
Tiebreaker to 11.
And we got a tiebreaker on here to 11.
More aces.
Myself and Chris were having a big argument at half time. Should it be 21? Should it be 11? But we'll take a time out on that and we'll carry on with this game. What do you think, Chris? Kilkenny or Wexford? It's hard to call.
The one thing about a game to 11, either of these teams can win the game to 11. I give them, it's a 50-50 game now. You can hear from the crowd. Hear the crowd are shuffling back in here. And
good first serve. That's a great serve.
Mark pops it back down the left. Kyle driving it down the right on top of Joe.
Who's going to go for it? As you say, who's going to blink, Chris? Playing safe,
Joe
playing safe.
Flicks that one up.
It was lucky.
That came out.
I was going to make the mistake. A bit of miscommunication from the Wexford lads, but it worked out okay. Fly kill coming, Chris. Everyone's afraid to go for it yet, but Mark Doyle is there. And Joe, what a first rally, Chris. Big rally. Oh, what a shot from the kid dog. Whoever's got the Leroy G to go for this game will win the tiebreaker. You got to have Leroy G go more.
0-0.
Anyway, the whole crowd are looking at you odd.
Well, I get excited. What can I say?
As Mark pops that one back.
And he looks back at the back wall.
Didn't look like it bounced weird. Maybe he was expecting it to.
I couldn't see it, Mark. Sorry, okay. Second
Bosco
hand,
didn't
0-0.
see it, so.
Was he looking for a court hinder, was he?
Yeah. So Kyle flicks that one all the way back to the back wall. It's going to come around the corner. Mark.
Replay.
Leaves that on the small of Kyle Jordan's back. So the referee going to clean the ball before we get going again.
Do you know what I noticed? Well, maybe it's the gloves. There's no lads taking time out to dry their hands and dry their hair, and
Replay, 0-0.
you know, it's a good flowing game, Chris, isn't it?
Timeouts shouldn't be allowed in the 6x30 at all anyway. Well, maybe I don't mind them in the Masters games, Ali, but
awkward ball here.
Some of the stuff with the gamesmanship. Called up off the back wall. Joe
well dug out, but
Joe,
big chance here with the sidearm, Chris. Boom! Mark is in there in the long grass. Probably overhit it a small bit, but he came out all right.
Joe with an opportunity off the back wall. Collins dropped back. That's again a dirty one down the side of the wall.
Watch this kit though, Chris. No, back. No.
Sorry,
Players
does
play.
Joe go for it?
No, he's playing safe.
This is going to come off nicely for Kyle.
Look at Kyle Jordan. Kyle Jordan took the power off to the ball and quinched it in the corner. Look at this skin, Chris. Off the corner, quinched it with the angle.
Just got such a brilliant skill set. Just flicks that into the corner. Sidewall first, taking all the pace off it. Jack drops that in the back left-hand corner. It's going to sit up nicely for Joe.
Oh, he'd be annoyed of missing that.
Yeah,
that
he just didn't set himself up nicely.
Yeah. It's the pressure of the tiebreak of the third game, isn't it? The pressure's on now.
He has a new bandage around his left, I don't know, lower hamstring or his quad there as well, just above the knee. But Kyle digs that one out. As Mark drives it 2 walls back to the back of the court. He's going to sit up off the back wall for Joe. He goes around the corner. What a shot!
He feathered that in. Lovely shot. Took the sting out of the ball and hit it in. Lovely shot. Off the corner. Look at that. Lovely shot. Took the power off it.
So
Kyle Jordan, left-handed serving here. Unbelievable shot.
Again, really well read by Mark off the back wall. As he drops back into the back wall and hits it 2 walls.
Awkward ball dropping here, Chris.
A dirty one. Kyle digs it out. Mark gets under that one. That's going to be
up
off the back wall.
The maestro who goes for the 2-wall pass. Look at this fly kill coming. Look at this, Chris.
Joe's there.
Look at that for a fly kill. Yeah. Push Mark back. Watch this again. And goes for the fly kill with the kit hook. That's talent there. That's serious.
Joe just a half step off digging that one out as well, but
is he left-handed or right-handed? Again, I blame the mother. She must have put the bottle on the left hand when he was a baby.
Joe digs that one out. Mark digs that one out as well.
Mark did well there to dig it out.
And Joe steps into the back corner,
Great
drops
shot
down the right.
Joe.
Jack digs that out. They're all digging away and not ditching sight. Where Kyle flowing down the right. Mark goes to fly the ball. Things so tense in here. Who's going to blink? Who's going to miss? Joe gets out of the right-hand back whole court.
It's coming around, Chris. It's coming around. What a shot!
What a shot!
Half a chance this young guy gets, and he'll murder it off the back wall. It was coming round. It was coming round, and he murdered it into the corner. Yeah. That's great control.
Wexford have to be more aggressive, because if Kyle gets opportunities.
He's a class act. He's he's the best thing since sliced bread, Chris.
He's absolutely. He's a unique skill set. He just has that lovely little flick. It's just so precise.
That's great to watch.
You know, he can hit it with power. He can do all that, but he chooses not to. He chooses to use pure skill.
3.
Watch this again. Left-handed. Look at this. Great serve too.
Mark drives it down the right.
Great power from Mark. Unbelievable power. Chance for Mark now with the sidearm. Goes for the corner. Kyle is there though. Now that ball should be cut off, not let back to that corner. Good recovery from Mark though, in fairness. It's coming around with the kit hook.
Kyle Joe digs it out.
No, Chris. Anish.
Again, nothing sloppy from Kyle this time. Opportunity off the back wall. He drives it down the right.
A bit of contact there. Will he look for it again? No, he didn't. Pasco gave him the shot, I suppose.
Yeah, there was a little bit of contact. It was very early in the swing and it wasn't going down.
Is the score wrong? Is it 5 instead of 4? We'll listen for the referee. 4, okay.
Referee calls 4.
Okay.
There's Joe. Moves around. Kyle goes down the right.
Thank you.
Well called from Joe Deverox.
Good call, good sportsmanship there.
And a 5-0. This is a sizable lead.
5.
So Kyle overhand off the left hand.
Awkward ball dropping. That was awkward. That ball should be cut off, Chris.
Absolutely.
Side out.
You can't.
Yeah, he went back on something that he shouldn't. But like Wexford have to try driving this a little bit.
Low 5.
Sometimes there's too much 40/20 played in there. No, it just bad luck with the bounce there with Mark.
As Jack flicks Mark out.
Chance here for the corner. Goes for it. Great
Jack
shot.
gets one.
I like the way Jack does that.
You can see Mark annoyed with himself. He bangs his fist off his chin because he knows that he set that up.
Very good. That's a textbook
So
shot from Jack. Great shot. Awkward ball dropping here. Awkward ball. Kyle makes it look easy. Now a chance for Mark, Chris. Is he going to go for it?
Has to go for it. He
No.
goes around the corner.
That's going to be the difference. Oh,
That's
what a
great
shot!
What a shot from Mark
What a
Doyle.
shot! Sticks out the claw and sticks it into the corner.
Yeah, paddles it into that left-hand side.
That's the American shot right there with the paddle, isn't it?
They clip the sideboard to kill it as well. So at 1-5. Now Kyle with an opportunity. This is going to go to Joe Deverox. He drives it down the left.
Look at that for power with the left hand down into the corner. Great
Well
shot.
read by Mark.
Ball bounced okay for him. He got lucky.
Gets a good bounce there.
Gets a good bounce or a bad bounce for Jack, whatever way you want to call it.
Mark.
Now they're coming back into this tiebreaker.
2-5. So
2 plays 5.
Fly kill coming, Chris. No, he went for the safety.
It just wasn't sitting up nicely for him, but Joe has to read that well.
I like the way Kyle left it to Jack there. It was well left. Now is Jack? No, Jack left it back. Too much 40/20 going on. They could have fly killed that. Now, fly kill coming. No.
So Joe drives that. Kyle hits the 2 walls. So attritional rally here. Mark steps in, drives it down the right. As Joe drops it out and Kyle goes down the right hand side. Again trying to push Joe Deverox all over the shop here. As Kyle spins that, but that's a great shot from Mark.
Oh, that's the best scratch.
A loose shot from Kyle. He hits it with spin. Mark reads it really well. Takes 2 steps back, flattens it in the front left-hand court.
Lovely shot. Lovely shot. Plants it in the corner. Followed through, lovely.
So at 3-5, anyone's game. As Mark getting good purchase off the serve. Jack leaves that up in front
Joe
of Joe
going to go for it
Deverox
with the sidearm. He does.
Flattens it.
Joe's up for this game. We've got a game on our hands here now.
Great finish. Big pressure on Joe to put this away.
The crowd really getting behind both teams.
Mark.
We got a packed house here in Croke Park. You can hear a pin drop here in this tiebreaker.
Everyone
at the edge of their seat
the
here.
Edge of the seats here. At 4-5. Mark Doyle clips the left-hand sidewall. Kyle drives Mark into the back court.
Oh, and he was unlucky there.
Mark annoyed that he left it. That was an awkward ball dropping off the left and of the back wall there.
That's a crucial miss.
Probably could have stepped in and took it on the way up with his overhand.
That miss at 5-4 could change the game. It could change the whole match here. Up to 11. Anything can happen. Fly kill coming at. I like what Mark is doing, putting the pressure on the boys. That's a good play from Mark. And Joe's following up with the fly. Now they've stopped playing the 40 by 20. They're going for it here. Pushing Kilkenny back.
Mark.
That's more like it. That's the shot with the fly. The fly shot with the kid hook off the left side wall. What a shot to go for, Chris. Look at this again.
Look at this.
Great shot. Paddle.
Yeah, hits it with a straight arm paddle. Flattens the ball in the left hand corner.
That's a nice toss just past the short line. He's set up with the side arm.
Oh,
what a shot.
What a shot.
What a shot. Unbelievable shot.
Unbelievable from Kyle Jordan. Again, the skill set on display. High pressure, just flicks into that right hand corner. It shoots out flat.
6 plays 4.
6 plays 4. Spinning that ball off his finger. That's an awkward ball dropping. That's an awkward ball dropping to his left hand, but he's got Mark going for the kill. That's a great shot from Mark.
That's a great shot.
That's the shot. That's the shot. Any opportunity, Mark is under it.
That's the changing of this game. Mark getting under the ball at every opportunity, going for those corners and being aggressive.
4 plays 6.
So at 4-6. Can Wexford keep the momentum up? Mark misread the bounce off the spin off the front wall, but he gets away with it. Kyle with an opportunity, drives it down the right.
Joe Devereaux, Augustinish.
Kyle driving the ball down the right again.
Chance for Mark. No, he set it up for Kyle. Is Kyle? No, they're playing safe. As you say, who's going to blink, Chris?
Joe sits in the back right corner.
Mark is ready to cut that ball off. Look, and Jack.
So
now,
Jack, and
is Joe going to go for it? No, he's playing safe.
That's a big miss. Can Jack do something with it?
Who's going to have the Liathróid here to go for it?
Joe's going to pick that. Kyle hits it 2 walls, and Joe gets into the back court to retrieve.
Huge rally. Is he going to go for it here now? No. Who's going to have the Liathróid?
Oh, no one with a clean opportunity.
Great pick! Great pick from Joe Devereaux. What a shot! What a flick in the corner! And he's having a wrist up against the side wall. That was some rally, Chris.
That was outrageous.
Some rally.
And what a pick!
Unbelievable.
He just threw his hand at it.
And he's putting his hands on his hips. And it's not the hucklebuck he's doing.
What a rally. And maybe, just maybe, this is where Wexford take over. Things are starting to go their way. Joe digging in.
5 plays 6.
Having to retrieve loads of ball there, and he got a little bit of luck as well.
Again, Mark is upset he didn't fly that. He put the hands up.
The ball, Kyle targeting Joe at every opportunity here. As that goes around the walls.
An awkward ball.
And Jack leaves it in front of Joe again. Joe having to field a lot of ball. As he goes to the
great shot from Joe Devereaux. Joe Devereaux stepping up.
Standing up to the pressure.
What a time. What a time to step up. What a time to start playing handball here.
Joe,
what a time.
Joe under all sorts of pressure, getting ball fired down the right all the time. He sits into the pocket and goes to that right corner.
Together at 6.
Together at 6, John Bosco Hurley says. Joe Devereaux stepping up to the plate here.
So Kyle with an opportunity. Joe digs it out. Goes 2 walls.
That's
Kyle,
serious from Kyle Jordan.
From Kyle.
Serious shot. And he's getting the crowd going. He's getting the crowd going.
He's getting the Kilkenny crowd going.
Second hand, 6 plays 6.
So 6 walls, second man up. Mark hits it. Clips it off that left hand side wall, as he's done most of this match.
Big chance here off the back. Will he go for it, Chris?
Kyle looks like he's trying to get things going again.
Great dug out for Joe Devereaux. Joe's playing a blinder here on the right hand side.
Having to go under awful pressure here. Kyle trying to get Mark to go cold.
Awkward
That's
ball.
Dug out by
fly
by
kill
Kyle.
coming from Mark. Awkward ball. Can he dig it out, Chris?
Awkward. And that is, it's all going Wexford's way at the moment, Ollie.
Oh, it is. Mark setting the stall out of the lines, controlling the game from the lines. The old traditional 60 by 30 style is coming out now for Wexford.
Mark hit that one overhand. He took a big
6.
spin. Jack didn't read it right. And Wexford take the lead for the first time in this tiebreaker at 7-6. That's going to pop up nicely for Mark.
Chance for the sider.
Go for it.
He left it. He rushed
Leaves
it.
it up. Mark dives.
Great
He
rally.
picks it.
Watch Kyle Jordan now going for the pass.
Joe digs it out.
Great shot from Joe.
Mark with
now
an
Mark is going to murder that ball.
He drives it out. Probably the smart shot.
Big chance here with the underarm whip.
And he gets it.
Big rally. Big
Jack
rally
does
here, Chris.
really well to stay in this rally.
Awkward
This
ball.
is some rally,
Big
Ollie.
pressure shot from Jack.
It's
He was
gonna make
unlucky.
it.
It was unlucky.
It's not going to make it.
Wexford
And
in the driving seat. Wexford are playing handball here. They're not just making strawberries and potatoes. They're playing handball. The crowd
The
really
Wexford
got
crowd lifting it every point.
The Kilkenny boys are shouting. They're swarming around here like bumblebees.
So, Wexford, Mark Doyle on second service at the moment. It's 8-6. Jack Holden
Wexford going for it. Look at this.
has to dig that one out. Mark gets a hand on it. Both Kilkenny lads almost go on top of each other. Mark drives it, 2 walls, pushes Kyle into the back court. Joe has to field it out the back court himself. This is an opportunity for Kyle. He goes for it and he gets
what
it.
a pick. What a shot. I thought Mark had it. Mark dived in for that one, but Kyle took it off the shoulder with the kid dog. Look at this again, Chris. Off the shoulder.
Absolutely
a pressure
class.
shot. That shows Liathróid right there.
Absolutely class.
And the crowd getting me. I haven't seen this shouting since the old days in Croke Park. The crowd really getting behind the both teams here. 6 plays 8. John Bosco Hurley.
So Mark flicks it up. It's going to pop up to the corner for Kyle. Mark drives that one. Does Kyle go for this one? He goes to the corner. Joe digs it out. Goes 2 walls. Mark drops back. Drives Kyle back into the left-hand court. Joe doing the same. Nothing. It's going to be nothing soft. Joe digs that one out.
Awkward ball.
Mark digs that one out. I'm getting confused myself.
Well left. Great communication here now, but Mark is going for the fly
Mark
kill.
goes for it. Kyle picks it. Mark gets another chance. He puts it. It's going to come off the back wall.
That's a good shot from Jack. Mark is
gets
there.
it. What a shot!
What
from
a
Mark
shot
Doyle.
from Mark, and he puts the fist up. He puts the fist up to the crowd. It's Wexford to lose, Chris.
Unbelievable.
Wexford are in the driving seat now. Can they drive home? Will they drive home? Or will they balk? Let's go to see. The 2 hands are on the hook. They're doing the hucklebuck with the 2 hands on the hips.
Kyle Jordan on second service.
6
serving 8. And both teams looking for, gotta say, the wind is in Wexford sails. Joe gets under this one. He goes for it. He goes for a big shot. And Kyle gets a free point.
And Kilkenny are back on this match. It's 7-8. Who's going to go for it? 7 plays 8.
A race to 11. As Kyle.
It's a big serve.
Drops that one. That's a bit neater from
Jack going for it.
And will Mark go for this?
That's
Jack
a great
goes for
shot.
the corner. Joe gets
That's a great shot from Jack. And to get Kenny back, we've leveled the match. It's all Nick and Nick.
This is
Wexford.
Unbelievable handball from all 4 men.
Wexford are looking awful tired here now.
It's unfortunate that one
as
of these teams had to lose.
As Muhammad Ali said to George Foreman, this is the wrong place to get tired, Joe.
Anyway.
Together at 8.
Together at 8.
Together at 8. The scores come together again. The rapturous crowd. As Kyle flicks it. Clips that sidewall. Mark steps in this time. Doesn't lead to the back wall. Kyle goes. He's set up like he was going to shoot.
Good ball dropping. Is he
That's a
setting up
dirty
Kyle
old
for the
ball.
fly kill?
Oh my God, he skips it in.
Oh, that was the winning and the losing right there. Wexford are back in. That was some shot to go for, but you have to go for it, Chris. At 8-all, yeah, I'd be annoyed if you didn't go for it.
8 plays 8.
8 plays 8. John
Wexford with 2 hands, 3 points to go. Jack.
Replay, Bosco. John Bosco.
Good call from the referee.
What happened there, Chris? I missed it.
Just hit the corner of the door and actually flicked up a little bit weird. So.
8 plays 8.
So Kyle sets up. Oh, Kyle misjudged
Huge,
that. That's gonna
huge
set
chance
up
here.
and that's a big shot.
Yeah, that's it.
That is huge for Wexford.
That's a yabba yabba do shot right there.
Mark.
That is a huge, huge
9
shot.
plays 8.
Kyle just got a little bit under his own feet. There's Mark. Steps into the back court as Kyle tries to drive that down the right.
Awkward ball for Joe.
Joe does really
what a
well
pick.
to dig that out.
Is he set up now? Is he going to go for it off the corner? He goes for it.
That's
he
a good
gets
shot.
it.
What, under such pressure.
Awful pressure, and he had a lot of time, Chris. That ball was dropping nice and slowly.
But he's the calmest man in the place
He's
here.
a cool out. If he had an ice cube and I had an ice cube, his ice cube would be
9
cooler.
plays 8.
So at 9-8,
Mr. Cool, Jack Holden.
Mark Doyle trying to drive this on. That's a horrible toss from
Huge
Mark
setup
Doyle.
for Mark. Is he going to go for it, Chris?
He drives it down the right. Jack gets a
Another
hand on
chance
it.
for Mark to go for it. Another chance for Mark. 3 in a row here.
Oh, what?
He had it. He had 3.
Unbelievable picking from
Jack
Jack Holden.
Mark had his chance. He had 3 chances. He had 3 lives.
He tried to drive at Jack, forced the mistake.
He'd be
But
annoyed with himself there, Mark.
Jack stood up tall.
8 plays 9.
That's pressure though. Mark had his chance there 3 times.
So Jack Holden floats it up off the left hand side wall. Mark flies that.
Awkward ball
Kyle
here.
readjusts, puts it all the way back in the back right hand corner, and that's a big mistake. Massive mistake from Joe Devereaux.
The pressure is on Wexford
Pressure
now.
on now at 9-all.
Serious pressure. We got
What a game of handball.
what a game on. Pressure. Can Wexford stick the pressure here now?
So
The Kilkenny bees are coming. The bumblebees are coming in swarms.
opportunity for Kyle. He doesn't. He elects to play safe. Probably the smart at this
Huge
point.
chance here, Chris. He
Kyle
goes for
drives
the-
it down the right.
Great
No
pick
one
from
wants
Joe.
to miss at this point, but Jack drives it all the way out the back. Mark does well to put that around the house.
Great play from.
So
No.
Jack leaves it to the back
He's
wall.
going to play safe. He's going to bring it round. He's going to wait for the. Try and hope that the Wexford makes some
Who's
mistakes.
going to miss?
He's bringing it around again. Great safety play from Jack and Mark. Now this was
So
no, it
Kyle
didn't come round. I thought it was
hits
coming
it.
round. Now Joe could go for this. No, playing safe.
Opportunity
Chance for
Kyle.
Kyle.
He goes to the corner.
Mark is in there.
Oh,
what a shot from Mark!
Doyle.
And he's the 2 hands out. He's like Spartacus in there.
So this doesn't get tighter. It's 9-all. Kilkenny on the second serve.
You couldn't call it. It's like a bad deaf dog at home. You can't call him.
So
Second hand. 9 plays
Kyle
9.
Jordan with the ball in hand. 9-all. That's going to come around. Joe Devereaux.
Oh, that's a crucial miss. We got a match ball here. We got a match ball here for Kilkenny.
Kilkenny with match point.
Have they 1 hand or 2, Chris?
1 hand.
One
left.
hand. This is for all the marbles. All the
Ball
marbles.
plays
So-
9.
So Kyle Jordan goes.
A chance for a senior.
steadies
It's coming
himself.
round. It's coming round. Mark
Mark
is in
does
there.
well to read that.
Big chance here, Chris. Mark is in there.
Oh,
Great
what
shot
power.
from Mark
What
Doyle.
a shot from Mark.
Great shot from Mark. And Kyle is
What
looking
a
for a
shot.
replay, but he's looking for a replay because the crowd were prematurely slapping. But he just missed it. It
They
popped
just
up
got
for
to
him.
get on with it at this stage.
Wexford are back in the serve at a 9-10. Kilkenny had their chance.
Side
So
out.
at 9-10 with 2 hands coming.
9
We got
plays
2 hands
10.
coming. The Wexford lads at the edge
Joe
of their
Devereaux
seat.
with the serve.
There's a Wexford man down there. His every nail bit off himself.
There's an opportunity for Kyle.
Great shot from Kyle Jordan. You couldn't call it, Chris.
It was a loose shot. It was a loose shot from Mark. It gave Kyle a
Second
huge
hand.
opportunity.
I see a Wexford man down there and he's every nail bit off his 2
9
hands, Chris.
plays 10.
The tension. You couldn't get any closer.
Mark
9-10.
Hits it overhand. It clips the left hand sidewall. Kyle pops it all the way
Awkward
back.
ball
It's a
dropping,
horrible
Chris.
shot.
Fly.
Jack gets under it. He hits it 2 walls again, and it gets a bit of a break. Does Kyle get that? No, he
Leaves it in front of Joe.
Awkward ball dropping from Mark, but he's a tall lad.
Not
He got
attacking
it.
the ball on the fly at the moment.
It's 40 by 20 stuff here now. Kyle going for the kick. Oh, kill.
Oh,
Mark is
gets
there.
it, digs it out.
Here we go now.
Kyle resets the play. It's up off the back wall. It's going to clip the side wall. Joe does well to readjust.
Kyle is going to go in the corner.
Oh,
And Mark just got his head stuck in the way. It was a great time to put the head out. Great time.
Well, that Kyle, it looked a little bit of a miss hit the way it hit Mark, but gives Mark the ball in hand again. Just 2 points away from the senior title for Mark Doyle and Joe Devereaux.
The last few aces, did you ever notice, is the hard ones to get. The hardest to get.
Every miss hit, every misstep. It's like 10 earlier on the match. So
9 plays 10.
9 plays 10. John Bosco Hurley says. Awkward ball. That's a good serve.
So Jack, steady as you like, pops it down the left. It has
Awkward
to go back
ball
and
dropping.
retreat. That's an awkward one, all right.
Mark Doyle really playing well here. Pushing the players back. Is that going to come off the back wall, Chris? Is he going to go for it? No.
He drives it
plays
down
safe.
the left. Mark does well to dig that out.
Awkward ball dropping for.
Oh,
now
that's going to pop up
there's a
nicely.
set up here. Is Mark going to go for it? No, he's playing safe.
Smart shot from
That's
from Mark
coming
Doyle.
off the corner. No, 4 players are playing safe. Who's going to blink, as you say, Chris?
All looking for an opportunity to get into that inside court.
Oh, it's coming round. It's coming round. Is he going to plant it? No, they're playing safe.
Oh, what
Great
a
shot from Mark.
What a shot from Mark.
What a pick from Jack.
does really well to get it.
That's a
gonna
great
be a
shot.
point. Then we've got 10
Wexford
all. It's
have
match
tied the
point
match.
each.
Wexford have tied the match.
What a game of handball.
I tell you, it's down to
How
the
did
last.
he get the hand under that?
It's down to the wire.
I hear the crowd lifting the place here.
The dog license inspector is at the door. It's either shoot the dog or get the license now. Here we go. Who's going to go for it? You can hold your breath. Both counties are holding their breath here. Great chance here. One hand, is it, Chris? One hand.
One hand to
One
go.
hand. Here we go.
Is this Wexford's chance?
For all the marbles. Here we go. Awkward ball dropping. It's a chance off the back wall. It's on, Chris.
He drives it down the right. Jack Holden goes back to the right corner. Joe Devereaux
Chance for Joe to finish the game.
drives it down the right again. Mark steps in, pushes Kyle all the way
ball
back
for
to the
Kyle.
back.
Now, chance
There's
for
an opportunity.
No.
Oh, he doesn't go for it. He puts his hand in his hand.
Kyle Jordan.
Kyle Jordan
Oh,
goes for it.
wow.
That's it.
That took great Liathróid.
What a
What a
shot.
man, what a
What
human
a
being.
shot.
Who goes for a
Oh
shot
my
like
God,
that?
it's
Who
crazy
goes
here.
for it? What a shot from Kyle Jordan to put Kilkenny back into serve.
What an opportunity.
That man.
Now Kilkenny with 2 serves. Can they get the point that wins them the first All-Ireland for Kilkenny in the senior doubles since 1997?
Here we go, Chris, for all the marbles.
Jack Holden pops it up. He actually left it in front of
coming
Mark.
round.
He flicks that one up as well.
It's a cracker.
Mark steps into the back court. Kyle with
it's
an
coming round for
opportunity out
Kyle.
the
It's coming
corner.
round.
He does
He
well
dug it
to
out.
dig it out. As Joe drops it deep into the court, and he gets
that's one hand gone.
One hand gone.
Now we got game ball here.
This is
for game, set and match. Kyle is shaking the hand. He thought the ball got wet. Maybe the ball skipped.
I don't know.
Is their gloves
I
wet?
didn't see his skip ball myself, but
Kyle isn't happy. Is the ball wet? He's going for it now here. Maybe he's
the
just getting his
players are wearing
composure.
gloves, so it's not much you can do about that.
But are the gloves wet, I wonder?
10
So-
plays 10.
No. He's serving with the left hand for the match.
Kyle Jordan
Here we go.
flicks it up, leaves it in front to Joe. Joe Devereaux pushes Kyle all the way back.
It's coming off the back wall, Chris, for Joe.
He goes to the corner. And Mark.
Huge
does the
chance
same.
here, Chris. Huge chance. And he goes
What
for
a
it.
shot
And he
from
gets
Mark.
it.
And
And
Kilkenny
Kilkenny are the champions. The Bumblebees. The Bumblebees. Kilkenny are jumping with joy. What a match. What a game. And the Kilkenny boys
have gone
they're at the
absolutely
edge of their feet.
ballistic here.
Kilkenny crowd are at the edge of their seat. We're going to have bonfires in Kilkenny Kilkenny, the bonfires are being lighted in Kilkenny tonight.
Kilkenny.
What a match, Chris. What a match. And they're
one of
looking
the
up
great matches of our time, Lolly.
Yeah.
This is absolutely unbelievable.
Great game,
what
great
a match.
game.
Wexford did everything
right
to get there.
right down to the wire. And we got to thank Bosco Hurley. John Bosco Hurley gave a great performance. Chris, you gave a great performance. Right. What a game. What commentary.
Kilkenny and Wexford did both counties amazingly proud. What a game.
We predicted this and we weren't. We got our money's worth. The crowd, it doesn't, as you said, it doesn't get any better.
Oh, unbelievable.
It doesn't
unbelievable. What a game of handball.
A mighty game, a mighty game. Tá an ochar sorm a beck an seo inniu. And the Kilkenny crowd on their feet. We were full out and you could hear the screaming. What a title, what a win. Yeah. What a title for Kilkenny. There's Kilkenny people, they're crying. There's Kilkenny people laughing.
What a game of handball.
What a match.
Kilkenny and Wexford put on an absolute show.
What a shot. Deadly stuff.
And unfortunately, Wexford, they were amazing. What a game. But it just wasn't to be for them today.
Yes. What flag is coming out now? Is that the club flag?
That's the Kilfane club, yeah.
Kilfane flag. What a match, because you couldn't get any better. You couldn't get any tighter. 10-11 tiebreaker. 21-20.
Okay, folks, we just ask you to stay in your seats for a couple of minutes while we do the presentation.
We're going to go to Paul Fitzpatrick for a few quick presentations, and we'll be back to say a few words when I draw my breath. When you draw your breath, Chris, we'll be back in a few minutes. Yet. We'll be back in a couple of no-mid.
Okay, folks, just players in the court for now, please. Give it up for all four players.
Thanks, Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, just for anyone that's unsure, 6x30 handball is well and truly alive. Two weeks ago, the script was written for this game, and we knew it was going to be a blockbuster. And in fairness to the four players, they did not disappoint. It was a blockbuster performance, Oscars all around. It was down to the wire. Unfortunately, there is always a runner-up, but I mean, in fairness, there was very little between them all the way through the match. So look, it was an ace in the end, or two aces in the end, but well done to the four players. What a fantastic play, and your credit to your clubs. As I said, Paul said earlier on, there's three clubs at the back of this. That's the future of the game. There's the work they put in the ground. That's the fruits of their labour. I remember these young guys playing in Fela, playing all underage, 10, 11 years of age. Now they've come to adulthood. They're all under 25, and look at them now. Senior champions. Well done, lads. Just, I have to mention a big shout out to Spórt TG Cahir. To broadcast that across the country nationwide, it is great for our sport. And I sincerely thank them on behalf of all the spectators out there and everybody in GA Handball. Thank you very, very much. Again, without the spectators, it's a full house today, full capacity. We need that. That's what our sport needs. I know it was a sellout. Not all tickets were there. But look, everybody in the crowd got behind it. There was great atmosphere, again, like the singles final. This is what it's about. These big days, these players deserve that. And I think, thank you very, very much from the players, all right? A big shout out to our staff, Pádraig, and all the team here, Lizzie. Without them, to put on a great show here, without them, it just wouldn't happen. So thank you very, very much for all your work. Thanks a million. To our commentators, Chris and Ollie, thank you very much, guys. Again, fantastic stuff. Our MC, Paul, and our photographer, Stephen, thank you very, very much again. I have to mention John Bosco Hurley for a fantastic job on a great game. Thanks. And finally, to the team of McAvee for bringing this game into our living rooms through the platform for Sport TG Car. Thank you very much, guys, to Darren and the team. Thank you. Just call on the runners up. And the day that our drought ends, it certainly ends in Kilkenny. Well done, Kilkenny. Champions. Great stuff.
Jack, can you find the words to describe your emotions after that battle?
Oh my God, sure, look, it's just unbelievable to get over the line in the end. 10 on in tiebreaker, sure, could have went either way. I suppose in the first game, we built up a bit of a lead, and then, fairness to extra, they came back at us 20 all again, and they took the first one. Then the second one, I suppose, we got on top again, and we won it out then, probably, whatever it was. And then tiebreaker, just ace for ace, and literally could have went either way, like, it was just an unbelievable game.
Ollie and Chris in the commentary. Chris, you're the Iceman after the semi-final. You showed that again. You were very cool and collected there. But what was it like to be in the court there, Jack?
Oh, stop. Sure, it was unbelievable. Sure, especially ace for ace in that tiebreaker, like the pressure and just there's some serious shots, especially when Kyle there 10-all to go for that kill to win it. Just unbelievable. Sure.
Kyle, what's your emotions? You've come up through the ranks now. You've won all the way up. You've won your way up to senior, and now in your first senior final, you got there in 11-10 tiebreaker. What a way to win it! How does it feel?
Yeah, obviously to go 3 years ago, me and Jack, to go on and win the intermediate then, and then come up and just play senior like second year. It was the second year playing senior this time, and like, you know, to win that semi-final alone, then to come on and play the boys in the fucking final, the final there. Obviously, it was no easy game. Like, the boys, good hard battle fought there in the court, and it was just unbelievable. Like, you know, ace for ace in that tiebreaker, could have went anyway. Lads diving everywhere, balls killed everywhere, and we're just lucky to get over the line. So yeah, it's unbelievable.
What does it mean to your family and to your club back in Kilfane that you're bringing back this cup?
Well, as you can see from the celebrations there, it means a lot there. Yeah, obviously it wasn't won in Kilkenny there for a long time. Like, Duxie, obviously, Lord of Mercy, on the last man to win it, and geez, to be able to live up and win the title that Duxie won is amazing. Like, you know, I never thought this day would come, and I want to thank you everyone for coming today and supporting us, and up the Cats!
And lastly, before we let you go, Jack, I know you already mentioned it, but unfortunately in sport there has to be a winner and a loser. The Wexford lads didn't deserve to come away losers today. What a battle they gave you.
No, exactly, sure. Mark and George, it's unbelievable players. Sure, we played against them all the way up underage, and then all the way up to senior level now. And sure, they won intermediate last year, and then the senior final this year. So I'm sure they'll be back again now next year, competing again.
Well, everyone in handball is looking forward to a great rivalry. The best of luck, lads, and thanks very much to everyone.
Amazing days handball.
And the crowd here was just like the old days in Croke Park. We're going to sign off. Go neary lads, agus slán agus banach.